All right, we hop back on. So if you missed it earlier, I'd imagine most of y'all who are on now, were also on in the beginning. Currently, the only thing I'm holding is those phase lottos, but they did hit kind of like two exit signals, but because they were lottos, because we've been eating so much, I'm like, yeah, I'm good, I'm holding. So looking at SPY today, we're in these puts still, right? These got called out in the chat earlier. I'm also in puts for next week, same strike, just different expiration that I went heavier in because there was more uh, time. I had more time on those. So right now we're still holding SPY. Came back down here to retest this 421.10 level. We're still holding our descendant triangle pattern as well, which again is this here downtrend consolidation on the way down, horizontal support, trend line resistance, breakout retest, continuation to the downside. All right. And so we're still in this form right now. So another reason why I'm holding still is we have the downtrend, we have the up and down consolidation bounce, we have our horizontal support, which you can look at as kind of being like right here. All right. I just moved that level. Yeah. So that was around here. Drag that down. Cool with that. All right. So we already know that this area right here is going to be a heavy support. All right. But that being a heavy support, we also know we can break through it. We got some big drop coming too. All right. BW said I exited, but should you re-enter? No, if you didn't take the other re-entry, right? So I know you were on the Zoom earlier and somebody asked the same thing. They asked about re-entering while we were already in this because they missed this entry. And I told them to re-enter on this candle. Right. And we laid out the P&L. To answer your question in short, I wouldn't re-enter right now. I'll wait for the break recess. But entering off this candle, putting your stop loss above the high over here, and then targeting right here is what I told them to do. Or that's what I said I would do if I were them. And that actually played out and hit, right? And you had your about 2.5 risk to reward, right? So you have a favorable risk to reward. You have quick move too. It took it out and immediately, about 6, 7, 8 minutes. Went ahead and took that out to wrap in the profit. As for right now, like I said, on a re-entry, if you exited already, good. I mean, you took profits. I didn't exit because we're still moving down. We're not making any new highs. All we're making is lower highs. Even if we come back and test this level right here, which was 421.95, even the 421.95 retest, I mean, you could. My original plan was to hold these until Friday, with my original stop loss when I entered up here, original stop loss being 425. So we're still holding the descending triangle. If you were going to look to get in again, then what we want to see is a down move to close somewhere in this area. All right. Some consolidation in this area and then a continuation. And once we take out the level right here, so preferably we drop below 420.71, 420. We can take out 419. So that's giving up $2 for well, that'll be the target once we break this low. But as we drop further, you got to understand your risk to reward also declines a lot, right? Because even if we reverse and we pull back up here, I'll probably still be up, 15, 20%, depending on how quick it happens, but you'll be down 50%, 60%, right? So yeah, I would wait for the break retest. Does this apply to Tesla? Oh, and this isn't Tesla. So I mean the concept does, yeah. But I'm not charting Tesla right now. I'm not in Tesla. So I will go ahead and pull those SPY profits out fully. If we can close above, maybe give it 422. If we close above 422, I'll go ahead and fully get out. We took some profits at 50%. Oh, y'all did. I think my first actual trim was um 80 something percent. So right now we're up 74% on that SPY put that we entered. All right, so we get a close up here. We can go ahead and rock out with that trade. Let's go to the 2. Let's go to the 1. Yeah. So we close at 422. Like I mentioned in the chat, my trail and stop loss for now. And then I might just re-enter towards the end of the day. Trail and stop is going to be a break of a 2 previous higher highs. So not the break of this level, but a break and close. I'm gonna wait on a break and close above here, right? So we take out 421.95 and we close above it. I'll go ahead and exit, and then I can just wait on the re-entry. We're currently breaking that upward trend line, and that's all right. For now, we're about to test that 40.21. Let's see. Yeah, it broke. So we broke that trend line. We're testing this high over here. Broke it. So now if we close above, I'll go ahead and exit. And then I'll just look for a re-entry. Now we're up 68.5% right now on those puts still. So it looks like we are going to close above that level. So I'm gonna go ahead and close, and then I'll send my fill in the chat. Yeah. So we should get a pullback real quick. We should get a pullback down a little bit. And that's where I'll, yep, just to squeeze out a couple extra bucks. Cool. So I'm out at 197. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect exit. I'm out at 197. Let me go ahead and send it to the group. Out by 422p 812 at 1.97. And that's the problem. That's why we're talking about being on live, right? I just got out at 197. It's at 187. And then people still gotta go and get filled. Out the lottos. Yeah, so that was the lotto exit. I'm gonna close the ones that are for Monday as well. So those Mondays, I'm closing them out now as well. And we're taking about 25% on those. And now we're retesting that level. Take me out. Yeah. All right, cool. So I'm out at 25% on the Monday that I called out. SPY 422, 815, out at 2.5, 25%. The 422s for this week, we got in up here at 119. We got out at 197. So I ended up walking with 65% on those. So we got 65% so far today. We got 65% gain on SPY puts for this week, 65 for this week, 25 for next week's expiration. We took 10% on the calls, opened up with DE. Deer profits was about 140%. And then Tattoo Chef, we took 25%. And FaZe is down in the dumps. Safe exit was given at 5% because it was looking bad. And then now it's down about 70%. And it hit my price target exit. But I'm just gonna go ahead and let it lotto out. So I'm chilling on that. Let's look at some other stuff that I had on my watch list. Not again, bro. I keep looking at Heron Therapeutics, and I haven't traded it. Every time I look at it, it keeps going up anyway. But that's cool. And look at Carvana, and that popped up as well. Bed Bath and Beyond was on my watch list. It didn't do nothing. Let's look at what else did I look at? SWTX, and that didn't do nothing. Cool. Yep, got filled. Cool. All right. So let's go ahead and see what else we can get. Can I look at Eva's trade just now? Sure. Because I'm only in phase right now, and that's like a full on lotto. Eva, she God damn. She closed as soon as she called it out, basically. So Eva took some calls. Um, yeah, so she traded what we was just looking at on, well, she traded on SPX. I was looking at on SPY. Was on like the two. So that trend line break, right, that I use as an exit, she took calls on, right? And so that's how, you can trade both sides. So it looked like she took calls on the break above and close here, and then went ahead and took profits on like the retest of this area, right? She traded it on SPX, but it's the same sort of setup, right? So come in, you got your trend line here, right? You got your horizontal support here. You got your descending triangle leading into it with a downtrend, right? Consolidation here, here, here. Thanks, trading view. Here. All right. And then end up breaking. All right. So again, you don't force yourself to stay in stuff. Once it breaks, right? So y'all saw me exit. And like I said, we took out the higher high, two higher highs, and it broke the form. So no, this descending triangle is no longer valid. We're not playing into this. All right. Now, what you could do if you want to be a little fancy is you could let's do that. You could take puts right here. This is being extra though. You could take puts right here, target back to a retest of the trend line, and have your stop loss be above this high, right? You could. But yeah, that's what Eva just did. In my eyes, I think she just traded the breakout of the trend line for calls, and she took it up to the next target level, which would have been right there. How much of a move is that? What would we be looking at here? If we go short here, stop loss right here, target down here. What would that be? Not bad. So that's if you decide to take it. Really, it would probably be safer to wait for the low break right here. Or you take a break of this low, and you can see some continuation down, because otherwise it might just end up bull flagging and breaking back up to the upside. All right. So that's if it comes down here. And that's 423.92. 423. So I look at that. 4230.92. So 4230. You can take 75. All right. So that would be like more of it's still you could scalp it. It's a little riskier of a trade because it already is breaking that trend. So you're trying to play into a retracement instead of playing the bounce. The real move would be to wait for the bounce off and to take the trade on the bounce off. That would be the safer trade, but you could. What was your strategy charting before you played options? What was my strategy charting before I traded options? Before I started trading options, majority of my trades were swings, like next day overnight swings. And usually what I'd be looking for is just like short-term pullbacks. So I mean, if I'm so like trading inside bars. Bless you, thank you. So trading inside bars still applies. Looking at breaks, right? So I took Wayfair puts the other day, right? And we had this big move up that broke above our our resistance levels. And we came back down. And once we broke this low, I was like, all right, bet, we headed back down to test somewhere over here. All right. So that's what I traded, you know, traded us back into this range. All right. Then we got the inside candle the next day. So you could have took calls, or if you took calls right here. Sorry, you would have entered calls on the open. But I don't like trading. I don't like trading patterns into the next day when they have like a decent sized gap. I don't like my target for entry, like my entry triggers, getting triggered by a gap. Because now I got to worry about whatever happens to cause the gap. So if it triggers off a gap, I'm gonna leave it alone. What I think about NVIDIA, nothing. I might think so. So NVIDIA looks like it pressed up. It took out. So when I look at my gaps, I look from the close to open, close of previous days to the opens, or to high, I guess. But open will be the gap. So this filled the gap as far as like complete price is concerned. But if we come down to the 1 hour, all right, you'll see that the gap truly isn't filled. All right. There's still this gap right here. All right. So NVIDIA has that gap to fill. Looks like we're just right now triple inside on the 1 hour. Is that my trigger for puts? Is that put trigger for those people who want to be overly aggressive? Oh shit. Don't take that trade, y'all. But you could. I'm not gonna call that one out, but my spot put trigger did go off. Again, that would be 1 second. I'm over here not taking the trade, right? So essentially what that would be is looking at the break over here, which we had here. We didn't close below, right? And so y'all heard me talk about the close below all the time. This is why I said don't take it. Because we didn't get to close below. So if we can close below this level, then we're good. All right, but right now, that's why I wait for the close below, is because it just shows that we held support. All right. So you want to see a close below. All right. And then from there, we have, again, a stop loss up here, and then we have room to go down here. So let's see. We zoom back out. Yep. So you could also put a stop right here if you just want to be like scalp. And again, you see it broke through, still holding support. All right. You need to wait for that close. So the close, waiting on the close, yeah, you might not get the most beautiful entry, by the same token, you're making sure that you're getting the move, and that's why I say, again, rather be late to the right party than early to the wrong one. You don't want to enter on a support bounce, right? You want to wait to know that it's breaking support and holding so that we can look for that continuation down and capitalize on that. Love the risk to reward advice. So, D Baldre, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, you definitely want to make sure that all your stuff you want to have be favorable. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna take it. My advice to y'all, if I was to give it financial advice, would be wait on the close. But looks like we are gonna go ahead and close. Call in chat. SPX. This is 4225 puts, expire same day. Yep. SPX 4225P. Same day expiration. What is the cost? What did I pay to get in this? $5.90. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and see this come back. It's gonna retest. That's fine. We're not worried about that. Again, the real play to catch is gonna be that bounce. So consider this not a high risk trade, but you would be better off waiting for a bounce. on this trade. All right. You see, did I get filled? Yep. All right, cool. So I'm at 590. I'm at break even. Cool. All right. So I did just take 522 puts, but it's going to form some sort of support somewhere over here, most likely. And again, our stop loss is going to be up here. And this is one of those trades, like I said, you kind of want to wait. Five P at 5.9. That's 12. All right. So we went ahead, got puts here. There's our support retest. And remember, this is a scalp. I'm gonna have a real tight stop on here. I've already made some good money today on our other trades. No reason in giving that money back. So I'm fine with minus 10 here, being like, okay, cool. You know, we took 140 on DE and 25 here and 30 over there, 83 on this other trade. So we chilling. Let's go look and go ahead and mark off. Where did we get the first? Oh, the first trade was on SPY. That's why I don't see it. All right, so SPY, we ended up closing our SPY puts over here. Closed at, I get at 1.97. And that's 65%. So we took a full close at 65% on our first SPY puts right here. Look at that. So over to SPX. So we're at that first level that could hold. Looks like we broke below it. Come back over here. I'm up. Oh, damn, I'm up 10%. Take that. There we go. That was easy. Yep. So we up 10% if you got in with me. If you got in, you can, you know, trim, take profits, whatever you want to do. Set a stop loss at 0%. Don't let it go red on you. Cool. So caught a quick 10 on that. Definitely think we have more room to drop. But again, the real trade you want to look for is that retracement bounce continuation. That's the one that's going to be the big money maker. Excuse me. So we'll see. But this was just a scalp. And that's why I kept it close. That's why I kept it so close, is because I know we're not in the full downtrend anymore. So I'm not gonna act like we're in the downtrend. All right, I'm gonna treat it as what it is. Yeah, and if you didn't get that exit, it's up 11% now. If you didn't get that first 10%, 6.5. All right. So if you missed the first one, if you missed that first exit at 10% right here, sub 12%, you could take your profits here as well. Looks like we're about to keep getting some more. We might drop some more. We already knew again, right, that we were going to get that pullback off this level. I put this level out here and we were still right here, right? And we just came back and retested this. So this is how, you know, you just traded away that it comes to you. You got SPY instead. You should be up. You know? Oh, crap. Cool. Kansas City back. Yeah, I just got a text about a call I need to get on though. So you can take the rest of them off here. It's still up 1%. So if we break this high, which is like we are, uh, the trade, you could still hold it. It's still solid. I'm trying to make sure I don't leave y'all hanging on nothing. Cause I might have to hop on another call at 1 o'clock. You can take the rest of them off at break even. You took 10%, you good. So another scalp. So far we got two 10% scalps. DE for 140, SPY puts for 65, and then phase is down like 70. Yeah, BW, you got out of break even. Did you take the first 10% cut? Look at the level, bro. You take the first 10% cut, bro. Just one contract. Got you. So yeah, the real move to have is gonna be this break here. That's when we can come back up here to retest these levels higher. And then of course, end of the day, you can hop on back on that lotto for the gap fill below. There's a lot of room below. Do you have more videos of your live trading in Discord? Yeah, it was like, I think back in May, I live traded 4 days out the week. I hired Pastor who does live trading for us 3 times a week, or with us 3 times a week. And I don't usually live trade too often because I have a Zoom problem where I'll get on here and I will not want to get off. So that's me. That's why I don't do it too often. But yeah, Esteban, if you go look on my YouTube, you can just search my name on YouTube. You'll see past recordings. If you go through the recorded classes, you'll see it in there as well. But YouTube will probably be the easiest way to go. Welcome back, Moody. Yeah, bro. Hey, we don't mind if you don't want to get off. Yeah. Moody, I just saw your text. Yeah, no problem, Esteban. But yeah, so the next trade would be, oh yeah, break even or exit right here as well, right? So that's I'm trying to convey as well, like the situational differences, right? Because normally I'm no trims, right? But in this instance, like I said, we're no longer in that downtrend. We broke that descending triangle, and we broke those, we broke this lower high, we broke this lower high, we broke 3 lower highs, 4. We broke 4 lower highs. We're not in a full-on downtrend anymore, right? So I'm not implementing my no trim vibe because that's not the trend. You can go no trims if you're trading with the trend, right? So if we break above this 4233, like 80, you know what I'm saying? Then we go ahead. I see you, Moody. Then we go ahead and continue up, and that's when you can go back to hey, no trims because we're still riding that wave. I got you, bro.
Bro, you trying to outwork me?
Nah, bro.
You said, nah, bro. So we back on Zoom 24 hours?
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Hey, I was thinking about that earlier. Like, that's just so crazy, bro.
So
About that, bro. We talked about that with our if we did that mentorship where like we was it basically was gonna be 24-hour Zooms though. If I live trade, we go from Jay's pre-market, I live trade, then you teach.
bro, this is so beautiful because you're making a meeting that you should be on right now. And we're talking about you in this meeting. And we're literally, and I'm like, nah, let me hop off because he literally just put out another Zoom and he's supposed to be on this meeting. And we're telling this person right now, like, and this is what we can appreciate about Jordan. It's just like he's always trying to push it the extra mile. He's always trying to outwork somebody. And I'm like, wait, what? D-Wiz like, no, he's on Zoom. I'm like, bro, we been got off of Zoom. Tell him to get on the meeting. And I'm like, what? So I checked the Discord and I'm like, this guy just really put out another Zoom link? Like, he's like, nah, let me let the group make more money, then we get to bringing more resources in. Literally trying to bring more resources into the Discord. And he's like, nah, let me help y'all out. Man, this is fantastic. I told him in the meeting that I'll be back. You got people waiting on you, but bro,
Fill me in on the meeting, bro.
I'm supposed to trade this week. You see what you did to me this week, and you know what you keep doing, bro. Okay. All right, we're going to go crazy then.
Feel me. I'm gonna just catch the recap of the meeting y'all on right now. I know my presence is requested. But yeah, I'm gonna get the fill in. We can do a follow up. Um, yeah, bro. But yeah, I mean, we gotta do. Let me see what's going on in the chat.
Yeah, I just saw somebody
live trade.
Let's do it. How much for a 24-hour Zoom mentorship? I'm ready to swipe. Look, I'm gonna tell you this, but I'm not gonna expose.
Man, yes, you are, bro. You do it every time.
But me and Jordan got something real planned for you guys. It's gonna be a mentorship, but it's gonna be super dope. I promise y'all. Just take y'all time with us, and y'all gonna see. We're just developing some stuff. But I'm gonna let Jordan keep live trading with y'all, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump on this meeting that he's supposed to be on.
All right. Pastors should trade 5 days a week. It's hard to maintain that type of schedule. I mean, realistically, right? To be in a position where every single day, I guess it's kind of like working a regular job, right? But I mean, with everybody who works in the group chat, I do encourage a lot of flexibility and, like we all are people at the end of the day. We got lives, we got families, we got things we do outside the group. So if Pastor wants to, he could, right? But I'm not going to, go to him and be like, hey, bro, you need to do 5 days a week. We can keep it three kind of like as our standard. And then, if he wants to do extra, then of course it's cool. Christian, dang, just not seeing your live trade notification. There's always something to learn, whether late or not. Absolutely, bro. And the first one was recorded. This one was recorded. So you can definitely go in, follow up, talked a lot about different things. So Christian, I'm proud of you, bro. Seeing the way you've been charting stuff out, those 1 hour Zooms where we took candle by candle paid off for sure. So I'm glad to hear it. Pastor said he'd be open to it. Yeah, we could talk about it. I'll talk with him about it. Dennis, 24-hour Zoom mentorship. Dennis, you see why I said I don't be live trading no more. Because once I get on Zoom, I don't want to get off. But my classes be 8 hours long. It's like, I get something to eat. Hop back on Zoom. Eat while on the Zoom. Go to sleep on the Zoom. BW said just want to drop more education. What else you want to learn, bro? I mean, of course, that's why I have the class ideas channel. But like I was saying earlier, when I was looking through it, like I can only teach on what I can skillfully do. You know, if I teach a class, I don't want my class to be sounding like I'm reading off of Google or something. Like I want to show y'all something I actually do. You know. Oh dang! I didn't signal to the group to take off that last spot put. Mm-mm. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm. You need a 2-hour break before your class. I ain't gonna cap, bro. If your class started at 5:30, Avery got book club. You know, that's the other thing, bro. We don't have to be the ones on the 24-hour Zoom. Moody, I thought you was getting off. I thought you was getting on the
Nah, D-Wiz is handling the meeting, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let's give the people what they want, man. They be wanting the church, man. They be wanting these lives. They be wanting the energy and the information. But what you were saying? We don't gotta.
what was I? Oh, it don't have to be us on the Zoom for 24 hours. We could literally roll J pre-market, pastor live, the pastor go live for like 2 hours. I pick up where he get off. Then we roll into your class. Then Avery teach or whoever teach that day, whoever, whoever. Then you teach, I teach, live trade crypto.
Oh,
I wish if I was to say if I traded futures, like live trade futures, man, in fact, Bain live trade forex. If I get Bain to do a London session gonna take us from like 3 a.m. to like 5 or something.
okay. So you hit it on the head because I was about to say, if we live trading crypto, you know, that's probably like what, 11 o'clock at night, maybe 1,
Yeah,
12.
after the class, bro.
Yeah.
Then we at Club MSC, you know, we chop it up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And then we roll right back into Jay's pre-market Zoom.
Let's go. We're gonna give the people a break on Saturday. All right.
For what? Oh, I guess.
You know what I'm saying? Unless we want to do something Saturday. You know what I'm saying? We can. We could do something crypto or something.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? Trust
You
me.
know what I mean?
Nah, yeah, I'm with it, bro.
You're yes, sir.
I'm with it.
I did not tell them supposed to get out the trade.
What's going on first? Oh, I got Netflix still pulled up. Netflix is still moving good. I don't know if you still on here, Brody, but Netflix is still moving good.
Let me see.
We could cash a little scout to the downside. I don't know.
That's what I just did, bro. 540. What we get in at? 590.
What you got? Oh, SPS?
I'm out. No, I'm not in nothing right now. Besides that phase lotto.
Yeah, anytime you put out SPS, I just play spy. I don't, you know what I'm saying? My account ain't built like yours.
Chill out. Chill out.
Somebody said Exxon. What's going on with Exxon? Let me look at Exxon. Where Exxon? Oh, there it is. Yeah, Exxon's still moving nicely. I say Exxon to $100. Possibly get the reversal most likely next week. The 212 reversal back to the upside on a weekly. Daily still moving nice and strong. Yeah, Exxon is pretty good. And if nobody's in Exxon, a good entry point for Exxon would be like 93, 95, or a little before 93. Like you could do even 93.50, but you'll want to see it holding over 93.50 to take it to about 94.79, or take it to its target of 95.23. But even when you get to that target, you have a gap to fill all the way to about $97. Yeah. Exxon is also a good swing. Just looking at it on a 4 hour and a 6 hour, it looks beautiful.
But do you see this? Do you see this wick that came up? That came up 20 cents above my.
Sheesh.
That's crazy. And it rejected right off. But I was already out anyway. But yeah, man.
We being greedy at this point, bro. We being greedy at this point,
Honestly,
to be honest.
when I took this trade, I knew I was. Because I absolutely was. I said, yeah, who cares? I'm going to take this real quick.
I just want to say the truth. Like, it's fun. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, let's go ahead and trade with profits and stuff like that. But at this point, and it's 1 o'clock already, it's like, man, if anything, set yourself up for some swings. Wait for tomorrow.
I'm going to do that too, baby. You know this.
But there's still going to be a lot of more moves before the market closes.
You know this, man.
Man, Zoom. How about we trade Zoom?
Ugh.
Zoom rejected his daily opening.
Nope, I'm good on that one.
He said, nope, I'm good on that one.
Nope. Not me. Now Lulu.
I haven't seen Lulu in a minute. I think of paid in full every time I look at Lulu.
Jordan, can I ask a quick question? When you have an entry price set and the market gaps open past your price, how do you play it? I don't.
Dang, Lulu does good on that.
If I have a target, a trigger level set pre-market, that's why I stopped making watch lists like that, because we've been getting so many gaps. I've been like, bro, it's a waste of time. But yeah, typically 95% of the time, if I have a level set that I'm looking at, ooh, wait a minute, we're breaking that high. If I have a level set that I'm waiting for entry, and we gap above or gap below, I usually just leave it alone. Now I will look for a retest sometimes, and I can play the retest, but most of the time I'm like, yeah, it's enough stocks in the world. There's enough time frames. And again, I think that goes to the being able to scalp, day trade, swing trade. You can find a setup that you want instead of just trying to force something that's not really there. This look decent. Schwab. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that 89-minute chart on Schwab, Moody.
89 minute? I gotta go to my computer for that. Hold on.
Just look at the 1 day, bro.
I was looking at Macy's on the hour. Macy's look good.
89, bro. No problem, dude.
What's the ticker on there? S what?
SCHW.
SCH. SCW. Let's see on the daily. Yeah, nice little gap.
30-minute chart.
Bullish flag, I mean. Oh, I like it on the daily too. Even though it's triple topped. I don't be caring about all them patterns too much. Check out the 10-day chart on it. They look good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a nice looking swing. That's high quality swing material, my guy. I just want to see how it looks into close. If we're gonna hold. I like
Look. Oh, y'all want a gym real quick? So, and I still do this to this day, right? You utilize the Robinhood watch list, right? And you see how we're talking about swings? All right, so just utilize support and resistance, right? When you're looking at the chart, go ahead and go to Robinhood, and this is called mentally trading right here, right? Go to and look at the strike price that you want to get into, right? And just go ahead and just put it on your watch list, right? Put it on your watch list, whether you're going up or down. Just know, still trade it like you're really trading, like getting into a good entry point, whether you're using the 1 minute, the 5 minute, or the 15 minute, right? Still enter in properly, right? So that you know that you're doing it successfully, but you're mentally trading and not with real money, and swing it. You can swing over the weekend like that. You can swing for a day or two like that and see how it performed, right? And that'll also boost up your confidence where you're like, oh, okay, cool. So if I would have taken this trade, or if I would have, you could put 5 things on your watch list. If I would have took 4 of these trades, I would have won all 4, only 1 loss. You know what I'm saying? And you start to see probability that way. And then you also start to see your skill. Like, hey, am I successful trading without even, you know what I'm saying? That's another thing that you can utilize as well.
Good looks on AbbVBW. I like that. Set a reminder. Come back and look at it.
I could have kept swinging UPS. Jesus Christ.
There was something I was about to look at. I can't think of it no more.
How you feel about airlines?
You said American?
Yeah, airlines.
I fly Delta, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. My apologies.
I've flown American once. Just one.
Oh, no, I'm talking chart, bro.
I know. I got the chart pulled up.
Oh, okay.
I was just talking while I look at the chart.
Delta look better. Delta actually telling me that American Airlines about to follow what it's doing.
Let me draw my own trend line here. It might not be straight. Yup, and then we come through like this. Well, I'll be acting a fool sometimes. American Airlines forming the Bears 3 bar, bro.
Coming back. Are you talking about on the daily, right? Yeah, I saw
Yeah,
that.
on the daily, bro. It's forming the Bears 3 candle, bro.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, bro. With the gap below, bro.
I ain't showing my screen, so what I see is like I'm looking at all of my demand zones that it actually, and I see the demand zone on the bottom that it bounced off of, like around the area of 1277, right? And I had a demand zone starting at 1558, 1558 to 1612, bouncing from that area. But it looks like it can reject, right? Say if we do get the morning star, evening star, evening star on the weekly, if it does trigger that to go 2-2 reversal to the downside next week, it'll take that whole PMG out. But we got to see. Let me look at BA, because Delta is breaking to the upside. BA also. Bank of America look good. I'm on a weekly chart though.
CVS weekly trigger. But you're looking at on the CVS weekly. Is that a 2 up?
CDS. Yep, 2 up. CDS looks good too, breaking out that bullish flag, but it's just, dang, the weeklies. Oh no, this is daily. I'm sorry. Daily. Oh,
Hey, bro. When you
yeah.
said, I'm looking at the weekly,
Oh my God.
you said bull flag, bro. I was about to be like, hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. I don't know what you looking at. I'm like, I'm looking at this chart, bro. You're tripping. Usually you spot on. You tripping.
He's like, Moody, I gotta call you out. I don't know what you.
Hey, bro, in my heart, I was like, bro, I hate to bust this man out in front of everybody, but bro, this ain't no bullish flag breakout happening on this weekly chart, bro. What you?
You could have just called the bullish flag, like, you know, the inverted head and shoulders that's on the weekly bouncing off of the support. You could have just called that the bullish flag.
I was from the
No, daily. That was the daily, but now weekly. The reason I said, oh my God, bro, wait, hold on. Let me look at your chart because you probably got to pull up. Hold on. Do you see that PMG? One candle eats it all up. Let me shut up. You see the domino effect? Do you see all those wicks? Hey, bro, just draw out your wicks real quick. All the way to the top.
I be feeling like you trying to give me homework, bro. This man be like, hey, draw this on the chart real quick. Hey, go to the. I'm like, bro, look, share your screen, bro. I will give you control, bro.
Oh man.
Yes, bro. We have all these wicks right here. And then we got the wicks over here too. And then we got this PMG candle come through. And they said, nom, 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 nom. That's what happened. That's what happened, bro. That's it. End of story. End of story, bro.
Yeah, end of story. You see the support, how it's holding. You see the rest of the PMG up top. You know what I'm saying? On your trend line. Yeah. But not on my screen, bro. Ain't no thing.
A P&G is a Procter and Gamble candle. Okay. See, Procter and Gamble. I'm joking. It's not P&G. It's PMG. It's a pivot machine gun. It's when you have a candle come through and take out multiple higher highs or lower lows all in one move. Yeah, for the longest, I had to keep reminding Moody to like try to explain it whenever he said it, because like people gonna hear and not know it. PNG, PM, you know.
Yeah.
You gotta be like, hey, it's a pivot machine gun. This is what it is for sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
That alert, SPY crossing 422.59. Why did I have that set? What was the point of that? What are we doing? Was that like that was a stop loss, or is that, oh, that's the break? Oh, snapple japple. Sorry, I'm acting up. I need to go to bed.
I need to go get me some food, bro. I still haven't ate.
So I want to point out how when I took puts up here, Moody was saying he saw a SPY going to 429. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Yeah. Put your face in the camera. Oh, so just talking about like trusting yourself and being able to adapt. You know, and Moody saying he saw SPY pushing up while I'm talking about puts. Me not letting him say he thinks SPY about to push up caused me to completely drop my puts. And then of course he ended up flipping and saying that he was like, oh yeah, it looks like it's about to go ahead and drop. You know, so him being able to adapt to the market changing and changing what you're looking at, and then me being able to stick to what I'm seeing and not let somebody else's opinion or view cause me to drop what I'm seeing. Confidence, baby.
I love it, bro. That's a fact, though.
Yeah, bro. But it's both. It's two parts, though. It's two parts. You know, and if we broke this high, then I would have been like, yeah, bro, it looked like it's gonna go to 429.
Just let me know when you hear that 429, ding, you be like, damn, Moody, I go 429.
Hey, bro, I will.
We needed that pullback, bro. This was healthy.
And now we breaking above. I'm not trading it though. Are we reversing for the day or still more to drop?
Let's go. Let me see.
I think we've broken this downtrend, right? Very clearly, this downtrend was broke. Man, I was talking about that back here, right? Clearly broke the downtrend. That doesn't mean that we're going to come all the way back up. What time is it? 1? So what? We've been on Zoom the whole.
If I at the 423.60.
Was that open?
It's
Open was
heading
423.
right now. It's heading to open right now.
Mhm.
Open was
429, 423. I mean,
yeah, exactly.
yeah, that's what I was looking at for the next target. I'm not trading it though. I thought about it, but I'm just gonna leave it, bro.
If we break 423, we go into 423.57. But that'd be rejection, like the daily, if it wants to reject. But you know what I'm saying, let's see. It's gonna pull back because the 1 minute needs a pullback, but it's gonna keep running. That's what it seems like. Let me check 3 minute. Ooh, 3 minute look too lovely. It just needs to go over 23. That's all it needs.
Yup. I'm good on it though. I don't think I don't know. I'm not. That's the other thing. Like sometimes y'all on these Zooms, like I be wanting to answer the questions, but I think I've trained myself to a point where I don't. If I know I'm not about to look at something, I don't look at it. You know, so like I'm not even considering whether or not we're going to reverse because I'm already in my head like, yo, I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm pretty much done with SPY anyway. I mean, we're pushing back into this, the range of the day. So anything can happen here. We can consolidate. We can come back up here and retest this. We can drop back down, retest the low. I'd rather wait for like a true break in one direction and ride the trend. But as for now, we don't really have a overall daily trend at this point. I mean, on the shortest of time frames, yeah, we're trending up now. And maybe we come, what we at? We at the 50 on this candle, huh?
I'm saying power, but it's just like Jordan said, like I'm done for the day. It's really, this is forcing a trade because you want to make money.
Absolutely.
Right. Because I was gonna say, and this is me forcing a trade.
What'd I just say, bro?
That was the 50.
Let's see the 50. It was just added to it, just pushed off of it. But go ahead, bro.
You know what I'm saying? It's just, candlesticks, bro. Percentages on candlesticks. You know what I'm saying? But no, I was just saying, like, you could take the hour, right? The hour still got 38 minutes on it. I got extended hours on though, but it just hit the 212 bullish reversal back to the upside, right? So if you take it to the 30 minute already gave you that reversal, the 212 reversal. So it's just the hour that you got really to catch on a reversal, because you're not going to really be able to catch the reversal on a 2 hour, right? You can, but you got 38 more minutes on that one, but then you'll be holding this to the end of the day. So you got like really the hour, or if you just want to scalp, right? You can scalp, but you always gotta just ask yourself, like, see every year that 50, yeah, it was basically getting closer to the 23 level, 423, the daily opening. Let me check the 1 minute again. We should got our pullback. Yeah, 1 minute got the pullback, so it should start running again. It's gonna try to break the daily opening. That's what it's gonna try to do. That's the test, to try to break daily opening and to try to stay above it. If it can't stay above it, it'll come back down, or just keep bull flagging all the way up. But it's not good to force trades. You know what I'm saying? If you do,
we finna force a trade real quick.
You want to force one?
I ain't gonna care, bro. That's the other reason why I gotta get off the Zooms, because I'll be like, ooh, I want to trade something else.
Nah, yeah, that happens.
Let's go ahead and start. Somebody was talking about Netflix earlier. All right, Netflix, we got a double inside on a 3 minute. We're going ahead and making this move up. We got our target right here at the high of this candle. We can go ahead and scalp this from here up to here. It's about what? 50 cents. That's an 80-cent move. I don't want that. Let's go ahead and pop out to another time frame. Let's go to the 15. 15. We're going ahead pushing up right here. Okay. Got a clear level of support right there. You know what I'm talking about? All right, we can go ahead and look at the retest right here. You know what I'm talking about? What's that gonna give us? That's a $1 move, bro. That's a $1.
All right, this is the opportunity right here to go for the calls or rejection at the daily. I'm on a 1 minute. There it goes. 3 rejected. Let's see if it'll go back and hold.
1 hour. Hey, bro. 1 hour look like we can even try to push up to here.
Was that on Netflix?
Mm-hmm.
I forgot when I was looking at it. It had a bull flag. I forgot what time frame. It looked like it was like it was breaking. Just got the 1 minute is rejecting.
Mm-hmm. Netflix looks straight for that. I ain't finna force none, though.
I think she's breaking daily opening. Little pullback.
Eartha, I'm not forcing no trades, but I definitely feel like forcing a trade, but I'm not. Even when that's why I say like with my lottos, like even my lottos, even when I force a trade, it's all still calculated. I can't lose, bro. I'm sorry. Like I can't just, I have to still be forced. For me, forcing a trade isn't forcing it by moving against strategic, like principle. For me, forcing a trade just means I'm about to go and look at every stock under the sun until I find a setup I like. Like I'm forcing myself into a trade, but it's still within my principles. Like it still needs to be, do whatever strat pattern inside, whatever. So that's my forcing a trade. It's not forcing a shift out of strategy, but just forcing myself to find something that fits.
I agree with that. And to add, like I agree with that. And that's also what I would say with forcing a trade for me would be. But to add to that, I would say forcing a trade to me also would be me hitting my goals already, me having a successful day, and me just saying, oh, well, let me just go. I know I'm a strat trader. Let me just go find a setup. Let me go ahead and grab something. I know I can find a swing. It's like, did you hit your goal? Did you hit your goal for tomorrow too? There's no reason to be trading for the rest of the week if you hit your goals already. Now, you do one because you have FOMO and you're just like, oh, I hit my goal, but I love trading like I do. It's like, okay, cool. How much did I make? All right, I hit my goals. This is what I went over. Let me use that profit that I went over with, or I'll use for my profits. Right. And that's about it. And still give myself like, I'm only going to take a couple more trades.
Bro, what was I drawing on this?
Like a cup and handle, maybe.
Oh, yeah. I'm like, bro, what was I doing? Mm-hmm. That's that reverse cup and handle right there. That's that reverse cup and handle, ball.
All right, so Spy's choosing to reject unless she comes and breaks this bull flag.
Noah, what's your expiration on that? Please tell me it's not tomorrow.
Oh, somebody in the chat.
Yeah, please tell me it's.
My close expired one. I got 175 on the win. I spoke tomorrow. Shaking my head. Ooh,
no. Well, bro, I'll tell you like this here. I would cut it. That's just me. I cut it. I don't know how much premium you still got left. I mean, I could go look at the contract, but yeah, depending on how much you paid for it and when you got it, you might need to push up to like 177 to even break even on that. So you're gonna need a 4% move. There's gonna be a $7 move. Target, what's the ATR? The ATR is 4.5. So you're gonna need Target to do a full body move to the upside to break even tomorrow. That's moving stronger than its ATR. That's a little tough. It's a tough call right there. What if you roll it? That's not too bad. I mean, you broke above here, right? You're just retesting it. Looks like you're still inside. We can go pop to the 4-hour real quick. Yep. I mean, even the 4-hour, it looks like it broke the inside, but it's still holding. If you roll it, it looks like it's gonna go either way. I wouldn't be mad at rolling it. Stop loss below this candle right here. So stop loss below 167, say like 167.50. I wouldn't personally enter it right now either though. And that's just me. But it was like it's gonna gap either way. Like whenever it gets done consolidating, which is why I was saying if it's tomorrow, that's tough because again, ATR is 4.5. 4.5 ATR is gonna move you from 170 to 174.5. You got 175 calls. If you pay $200 for those, you need to hit 177 to break even. So that means you need to move $2 above the ACR just to break even. So can we look at a firm? Avery called a potential put. Tell Avery get in the zone. Tell her to come get on the Zoom with us. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Avery, what's she called? Avery 34, August 19th, a firm. Puts. What's this? Okay. Looks fine to me. Yep, looks fine to me on the swing side. We come through, retest the low here. We got our gap below as well. Our real full gap would be right here. So yeah, that firm swing looks good. It's extended, you know. So I don't have an RSI on my chart, but I imagine if I throw an RSI, it's gonna be in the 60 to 70 range. Look at that. 68, right? I'll be feeling like messing with Moody. I don't need to put an RSI on my chart when I already know what level it's at. I know it's between 60.
Yeah, it don't bother me, man. I ain't tripping.
Nah, I know.
Put up a firm though. A firm is at its 50% retracement. I just moved it on accident.
You moved the firm?
Nah, the 50% retracement. You could throw your 50 the fib on daily on a firm, and it's just flirting with its 50% retracement. It keeps triggering it. It's been triggering it since yesterday, August the 10th. Let me see. Yeah, it triggered for the first time. It triggered because it gapped up, went over, and it triggered the first time on August the 10th, and then that was in the morning at market open, and then at market close it triggered again. We opened up today, and we skyrocketed up, and now it's falling back to its 50% retracement to see what's about to happen, and I'm seeing everything on the 10-minute chart. Went to a 15-minute. Yeah, a firm look like is going to crash. Let me go to the 1 minute, see if it's gonna bounce. It's gonna try to bounce, but it's still pushing to the downside. Yeah, you should be straight on the firm. Just checking the hourly too. Hourly to go ahead and give you that 2 down continuation. Your first target is going to be at 36.23. Your second target 35.55, and that's going off only the op. But you got more targets if you was to go to your 15-minute time frame. Oh no, it's still there. 35.55. Yep. And you start taking profits around there. Yeah, 35.55, or even at 35.90. But yeah, you should be good if you're in the firm puts. They look like on a weekly. Ooh, damn. Or they hit all targets. They got exhausted. That's what it was. They hit all weekly targets. What time is it? 2-3 firm. And the entry.
Can we swing spot puts, bro?
You want to swing spot puts?
Can we do that?
I could find a swing, but I don't know.
I'm talking about like a
trying to go out on it.
Yeah, like I'm talking about like 3 week type John. Well, 2 months. You know what I'm saying? Let's put. So the RSI I know is between 60 and 70. That is just funny to me. I'm always at 69. I know where it's at. I don't need it on my chart. I know where it's at. I don't need indicators when I am the indicator.
You're not gonna get me hype, bro. I ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna get hype.
Nah, bro, come on, bro. I'm gonna tell a developer I need a Moody indicator. Whatever you think, whatever Moody would think, put it on the chart.
Listen, Moody be on the low. Moody don't know nothing.
You taught me everything.
It's a lot.
You taught me everything.
You know what I'm saying? Lying is a sin.
All right, fine. You got me. You got me.
But yeah, man. Nah. I don't trade with indicators neither, bro. I just have to tell people, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to take a picture of my chart and they're going to see the RSI and they're going to be like, well, you got the RSI on there. Yeah.
Who cares, bro?
It is what it is.
Who cares? It just feels good. That's why I still be telling folks, like, it feels like badass to be like, yeah, I trade the 1 minute with no indicators, you know. It feels a little sometimes. I'm out of that now. I don't feel like that no more. You gotta do what makes you money, bro. If using the EMAs makes you money and makes you profitable, then do that. The RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, FBI, CII, WWE, you know, if that was what you need to make your money, then do that. You know what I'm saying? 10-minute, 5-minute, 13-minute chart. Let's pull up a 13-minute chart. You know, if this is what you trade and a 13-minute chart gets you paid because it's 2 minutes quicker than that 15-minute, do that.
Thanks.
I personally trade off the 69-minute chart. I'm joking.
That's true. I just see infinity. 6 and 9 makes an 8.
And that's all it meant, bro.
Mm-hmm.
People probably took that the wrong way.
You just gotta, I don't know. I just think differently. But yeah, man. Jordan really trying to have us on here all day.
Nah, bro, I'm ready to get off. But at the same time,
I just need some
like, as soon as I get off the Zoom, I'm gonna be like, dang, I kind of want to get back on the Zoom.
Well, hey, look what you probably can't see it. Let me see. Let me take off this thing. How do I go to my camera thing? Look what I got myself, bro. If I could remember how to do it. Background effects, yeah. Check this out. Fire. I like crystals.
What are those?
Clear quartz.
So that means you finna fly, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it.
No, we can.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, I don't care if you see the price.
Yeah, I can't see the price, actually. Let me go ahead and let me zoom in so I can see the price.
This is fire, though, bro. On this one, too.
I can't see the price, bro. Hold on.
You don't need to see that. You just need to see the crystals. Crystals is fire. But yeah, man. Look, bro, I even got this from Afghanistan. Oh, no, this ain't from, let me say it right. I think this is from, yeah, it is Afghanistan. I could lie and be like I was in the army. I really wasn't.
This man. Jordan, would you advise to buy a long-term SPY put? No, not yet. I mean, well, look at that. We're bouncing off this trend line. We snipers around here, man. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait, bro. I could take a SPY put if we reject the 422.50. If we form a head and shoulders, right? That would give us a head and shoulders. That's like take your trading to the next level and pre-predict setups. Like, look, bro, I'm waiting on this to form a shoulder.
Not fast. Are you on the 3 minute?
I'm on a 1 on SPY.
Oh, okay. I see it on the 3 minute. So 1 minute should have. Oh no, I see you now.
Nah, it's not there yet. I'm pre-predicting it, bro. What's the pre-prediction? I need to go to bed. Predicting is already a prediction.
Right.
I say pre-predict.
Yeah, promise y'all go watch my my chart classes. I be doing this.
Stand up, bro.
You know what I'm saying? It's always good to predict though. It'll boost your confidence because you'll be like, oh, see, I am seeing the pattern right. But one thing I would say about the 1 minute is it actually you can actually see a lot of different patterns, and the patterns actually like work out on the 1 minute. But you have to catch them quick. Oh yeah, I'm fucking tired.
Brittany, I ain't going to bed, man. I probably will. So yeah, we're looking at this potential head and shoulders. As far as SPY though, bro, I do want to take like a 3 month put, bro. A 3 month put would be nice. But I need to see something that's telling me we're slowing down, bro. Because right now, I'm gonna go ahead and just clear off all these drawings, bro. Get those out of here. So right now, I can't even really do it for real unless we break back below 417. Because we might just come back. You know, the market don't care. You know, stocks go up. So we might come back, pull one of these right here, and then SPY is gonna be like, "Hi, y'all thought we were dropping, gotcha, sucker," and we go back to that 420. So we still gonna take that put overnight though. Why 3 months specifically? It just gives me enough time, bro. Usually 3 months is like enough time for what I'm looking at to fully play out. And we come over here, I mean, we can see, we can also look at this monthly rejection. So that 430 is a monthly resistance. So we could look at that as well. Did I put that line perfectly on the?
You going VIX calls?
Bro, I put the line perfectly on the high, bro. That's crazy. Okay, anyway. So yeah, 3 months get some time for us to reject. We can reject this monthly high here, and then we can pull back into this level down here, which is like the 370 area. So that's why usually I just end up doing my SPY, like my deep SPY swings are usually like 3 months, but they usually hit within the first 1 or 2. But I give myself enough time for them to work out. What strike you looking at? I ain't looked at it yet, but I would definitely call it out.
Hey, bro, let me hype you up on your SPY put.
Don't do it.
Pull up VIX, bro. Pull up VIX on the 1 minute.
Man said on the one.
Yeah, pull it up on the 1 minute. We'll go to another one in a second. All these pivot lows and highs.
Yeah, I'm sure about it.
No, let me go ahead and talk about these indicators.
These pivot lows and highs marking up the chart, man. I got to put it on the 2 minute, bro.
No, you see that bull flag, or you still gonna see it on the 2 minute?
I'm on I see it.
Yeah.
Bro.
All right, so take it to a 1 hour. Rejection. Take it to a day.
I ain't even got to the 1 hour yet. Because you saying it, but I'm still marking them joints up, bro.
Yeah, I'm just eyeballing it. Bearish flag on the 15 minute.
I'm still taking my put lottos into tomorrow, or new ones. We overextended. We got this big gap up. Look at the volume. I mean, we still got time left, but like our volume today is still pretty far away from all these other days. So we gapped up, low volume compared to these previous days. We'll see how we finish out. If we get, because I wouldn't mind entering my put earlier. Let me see. So our lower day is, see, that's where the pivot high and low come in handy. Instead of me trying to figure it out, I could just, I could look over here. I can do that too. All right. Anyway, lower day is 421.10. So I'm gonna set an alert for 421.05. What I think I'll probably end up doing is going back like I did the first time, and instead of taking just tomorrow puts, I might just go a little heavier than I do or than I would if it expired tomorrow, and I'll get the Monday expiration or even Wednesday expiration. Main thing will probably just be if it doesn't close the gap at open or within like the first hour, I'll probably just close it out. Uh, so that we're not holding it throughout the day, losing money as it chops. But we got that gap below. We got another gap below down here. And then for some reason, we're in a recession and we're still going up.
I'm gonna go for calls and you go for puts.
Bet.
And we break even with each other.
Bet. Nah, bro, we ain't doing that. You gonna make money and I'm gonna make some money. Eartha Rivian, they got earnings today, so ain't nothing to do with that. I ain't fooling with it. But you can fool with it. Yeah, yeah, nah, they got earnings. And that's what I'm saying. Like, I'll train myself to stop looking at stuff that I'm not about to like make a real move on. It's like earnings is today after hours, right? Yeah, today after hours is their earnings. I'm not trading this. I mean, you know,
SPY gonna go up, bro.
when y'all put chart requests, can y'all like give some context?
That'll be fire.
Could y'all say like, can you look at Tesla on the 1 hour, or if you see something? Because I'm happy to mark some stuff up, but I don't want to spend time marking up a 3 minute. And you're like, yeah, I meant the daily, dude. And I'm sitting here marking a 3 minute up.
Gosh, man, listen.
Jeez, bro, you're tripping on the 1 hour. No, you good. You ain't gotta say my bad. I mean, I just communicated now. So that level still holds. 1 hour is not inside anymore, but I think it's still respecting this outside candle. It's still respecting that. Yeah, so it's kind of like a waiting game in my opinion. But as you know me, I really like to wait on stuff to fully form. What's strike price for short-term SPY? If I do that SPY lotto, if I do my SPY lotto, I'm probably gonna go with the same. Oh, we at whoa, what?
You say what?
We at 422. Oh yeah, okay. I got out earlier over here. Okay. If I do the SPY lotto at the end of the day, I'm planning on still doing it. Low key, I might just go ahead and get it if we break 421.90. Best entry would be a lower day. I might go ahead and get it at 421, like 85. And then you could trim at the retest the lower day. All right. A little earlier entry. As far as strike, if I'm gonna go Monday for Monday, True Lotto, we could go like, we could just go 418. I feel more comfortable doing a 420. But it depends on like how crazy you want to be with the lotto. I'll probably do a 420 for Monday is probably what I'm gonna get into. 420 for Monday. Early entry is gonna be the break of 421.90. Put 89. So early entry will be here, which looks like it's starting to approach. That's going to be taking out this support level. And then we're going to be entering right here, which we could chop into power hour at. Otherwise, we come back, retest here, which will give us a $1 move, just about. All right. Yeah. So that would be a nice little scalp opportunity, depending on how quick it moves. And then we can carry it over with our gap here. And we have another gap down here as well, which is why I'm holding through Monday. I might do Wednesday. I might just get more contracts and do Wednesday. See if we can take out multiple gap targets. Yeah. This is what I talk about, bro. This is what I talk about. Been on the Zoom all day. I'm fine with that. When I get off, y'all ain't gonna hear from me at all tomorrow till my class. Shamika, so for you to trade on the 1 minute, what charts do you mark up? 1 minute, 1 hour. I usually just mark up the one. For the most part, when I'm trading the one, it's typically what I'm on, as you've seen. I'll look at the 1, the 3, and the 5 will kind of be what I rotate on. And sometimes I'll pop to the 15 just so I can still gauge like the longer trend for what I'm doing. But most of my trades, when I'm trading the 1, I'm only in the trade for like 5 minutes. Now, a lot of my trades are 2-minute trades. So I don't need to look at the 1 hour if I'm gonna be in the trade for 2 minutes. So that's usually what I'm marking. I'll mark pre-market levels as well. I took them off so I could easily see the gap more. But I'll look at pre-market levels as well.
Jordan, what's your favorite time frame?
Favorite time frame? Whatever I feel like trading, bro. I don't have a favorite time frame. Like if I'm scalping, I'm trading the 1, or the 3. If I'm day trading, I'm looking at the 5, the 15, maybe the 30. So if I'm scalping, I'm looking at the 5, 3, 1. Day trade, I'm usually looking at 30, 15, 5. And then swings, I'm looking at daily. Short-term swings, I'm looking at daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. And then if I'm swinging longer, then I'm looking at the, weekly, daily, 4 hours.
Gotcha.
So it just depends on what I'm doing.
Hold on. Let me get on your butt. Because I haven't got on you for the no trim. Why do you trade the 1 minute? Why you love the 1 minute so much, Jordan? Tell us about the 1 minute.
Why do I like the 1 minute? I'm gonna tell you. So
he took a drink of water. I love it.
Let me go ahead and tell you why I've been on the 1 minute so much. What got me so I traded it like a little bit. But in my progression as a trader, like I used to just swing, then I started day trading this year, then I started trading the 1 and scalping. It's all Moody's fault. It's all Moody's fault. Me and Moody was on the phone one day and he said something, man. He was like something about trading the 1 minute, and I don't know. It's not like he was testing me, but he was kind of like, real folks, real trader. We be on the 1 minute, it was kind of like that type of vibe. He didn't say it like that. But he was like, if you can trade, you be on the 1, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, let me show this man. Let me show this man with something real quick. Let me 1 minute, 25%, 1 minute, 50%, 1 minute, trim, no trim, So that's what started it. And then I was just like, I'm just gonna keep rocking with it. We got the rejection of that trend line. Ooh, who remembers the trend line class? So anyway, we finna take entry in a second. But I think it's nice to be able to get in, get out. Your entries are a lot more precise because you're scaling in on the time frames. You can, make your bag in 5 minutes instead of making your bag over the course of a day or 2 days or a week. And it's not hard. I never had any problem with it. So
yeah, I was just trying to get to the part where it was Moody's fault, and then after it was my fault, he turned it around and started the no trim rule. He's like, Moody, come on, you're a real trader. You don't got to trim.
I'm like, bro, why you trimming? Why you cutting? What you doing?
I feel you. Okay. Hey, what puts you was going for?
420s. I'm gonna go 420. I'm undecided, bro. I might get Huh?
You doing 3 months or just a lotto?
No. The lotto for tomorrow will be 420 420 Monday expiration.
That's smart. Okay, yeah, fire. I was gonna say
420 Monday. And then I'm still going to do the yep, we just fired off. And then I'm still gonna do, well shoot, since I'm taking puts anyway, I'm gonna wait on the 3-month trade. Cause if we shoot up anyway, then the profits will be on the lotto.
yeah, it is. I'm looking at
Yeah.
them right now. I'm
I'm
gonna
on
go.
SPX. You know what? Screw it, bro. I just traded on SPX.
I might go 415. SPS gonna give you more though.
Uh-huh. So we go 4,200 on
Set up
SPX.
like leave me alone.
Huh?
I said my account not set up like yours. Leave me alone. We're gonna stay on spot.
Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. Your account got like 2 commas, dog.
That's a man. I wish.
Your account got 2 commas, baby. Come on.
I wish.
I still ain't entered yet, y'all. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do Friday or not. I'm waiting. We got my trigger. I'm still waiting.
413, bro. 413 puts. Honey bun.
413s for what expiration, dog?
815.
All right.
I was gonna say one. You know what I'm saying? You do one or like 150, 150 contracts.
For Friday, you said?
Not for Friday.
Oh, you
What's
said
all?
Monday?
Yeah, for Monday. Yep, Monday or Wednesday.
413s?
Let me see. 413 for Wednesday. Nah, I wouldn't want to. More.
413s? I can't do it, bro. I'm sorry. I want to. I still ain't into nothing yet, y'all. I'm sitting there looking at it. I'm just like,
You made my
I
phone
know
all
what
time.
I want, but it's like
A honey bun only 38, bro. 38. We ain't even trade 5.
I'm not. Oh, I'm sure looking at SPX still. Oh, maybe that's why my prices were looking like that.
I'm definitely not doing that on SPA. You be on your own. I told you we not set up the same way.
All right, bro. I'm gonna take a SPX and I'm gonna take a SPY. SPX, I'm gonna go.
You don't want to wait for end of day?
I think that's really why I'm so hesitant. Because that's what I really like to do is call them like 10 minutes. 10 minutes before we close where I really want to get.
I'm gonna wait till the day just in case we get a bounce.
Can you do a class about how to trade on the 1 minute? I did. I'll drop a link. I did do that.
It was a live trading class.
Yeah, I think I live traded and then taught the class that evening. I'm about to.
No, I'm with you on this one.
All right, bro.
I'm gonna wait till the end of the day though.
I'm gonna get in now.
Gosh, man.
I'm gonna get in now, bro. I got
15-minute break in the RSI. Yeah.
And that's gonna be a retest down here. I got 419s for Wednesday. Is the 15th Wednesday or is that Monday?
Oh,
Wednesday, bro.
Wednesday.
Monday.
What? 17th? Monday. It's Wednesday.
No, I got the 15th thinking it was Wednesday.
Oh, dang.
It's straight. See, and folks finna start looking at me like I'm crazy when I say Lotto is $1,000.
Right.
I told y'all that was my Lotto budget though.
You jumped in. I'm about to jump in right now. Hold on. I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna see if we're gonna go. I want to break a high. Break a high and I'll jump in. Break a high.
Oh my God.
I'm on a 1 minute, dog. Man, nah, I'm jumping in. It's bear flagging, bro. I'm not gonna wait. Feel me. Feel me. Yeah, let's go.
SPX 4190.
Let's go, bro. I'm up. Let's go.
11.8.
Let's go.
11.80.
Break.
At Jordan's alerts.
Yo,
And
we sticking this, or we gonna take these profits that's about to get us?
dang, we already. Hold on, bro.
I'm in.
Well, I'm only up.
1%.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
only up 1%. I'm losing right now.
Inside. Yeah, that was the SPX call. I'm gonna still do a SPY one.
Well, I did SPY.
Yeah, it was a. Did I not put? All right, I'm coming.
Aiden again. Jesus Christ.
Quit putting question marks on my card though. Yeah, it was a put, bro. All right. We're gonna let that ride.
Oh, okay. So we swinging. Let me stop looking at it then. All right, cool. Bet.
Yeah. And then SPY. I'm sending a spotlight over there. SPY. Less expensive SPY bottle.
I took your 419 puts, bro. I thought you was calling that out. I took your 419 puts on SPY for Monday. I ain't even go Wednesday. I was gonna go Wednesday, but it's just bear flagging so hard.
Yeah.
I don't know why I feel like scalping it.
On me, bro. That'd be the only problem I run into sometimes. I'm like, yeah, this was gonna be a swing, but low key, high key. What that happened today though? Like that put was supposed to be a swing, but it went up 83%. I'm like, well,
My alert just hit. All right, let's go. We just broke that trend. 5%, 4%. No, I'm up 2%. It's moving too fast. 4%. All right, so I'm gonna put this alert right here. This should give me like about 8% right here. Come on, push it. And you better hit it. And I'm gonna set another one too. All right, don't warning star on me. See, and when you're looking at the 1 minute, you see how we was talking about this bearish flag? It just hit the other one. There we go. Let me see where we at. I thought that'd be 8%. No, that's only 6. Here, I'm gonna put another alert right here at 421.43. I got another one set at 421.51. That one's about to hit. Let's go, Jordan. Hey, Jordan. I don't know. I might just scalp this, bro.
hey, bro, this is what we do, man. You know.
Down, bear flag again. There we go. Just hit my other one. Hit my last target and I'll get out. I promise. I promise you. Just hit my last target and I'll get out. Don't do that. Don't wake up. Come on, baby girl. Come on.
That's what I do.
Yeah. Come on, 5%. Just take it. Should I take it?
This man said pay for his round. He about to go play some golf. Oh, that man just made his golf money. There we go.
Come on.
Moody, it's a swing, bro.
I'm obsessed with taking profits, bro.
It's a swing.
All right. I'm gonna just let it go.
Take your profit, bro.
I'm gonna let it go retest. I'm still up.
Take your profit, man.
Not right now.
We're gonna retest and then we're gonna drop and then we're gonna be up and then we're gonna have a good time.
Yeah, that's what I said. I'm gonna just let it chill real quick. It's just ranging in between both of my lines. There we go. Come on, break my line. Yup, just broke 421.60. Let's go. Hit my alert. Take that target out. We just took target. Did it take it? Not yet. Not yet. Take it 2 down. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. I'm going to take these right here at 155. Boom. Target just hit. All right. Feel me. Oh, yeah. Feel me at 155, fuckers. And it's running. It's cool. Oh, my God. That thing's running. It's cool. I'm out.
Hey, we 3 for 3 on the live today?
I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Yes,
good.
sir.
That move right there, bro.
Give me targets.
That's it. And I know y'all heard my alerts hitting in the back.
That must have.
Gone. Bye. Appreciate you, Jordan. I'll jump back in, though.
You're welcome, bro.
Jump.
Bro. You're welcome, bro. I said it's an overnight swing. Now I'm finna tell them we up 10%. You can take profits.
Yeah, profits, bro. Tell them to take profits. We'll tell them to get back in. I'm saying we sit like that. If you jumped in, when I jumped in, when you called it out, bro, you were sitting over 10%. I'm already out, but that's still sitting over 10%. My entry was at 142. I got out at 155. Let me see what those contracts sitting at right now. 157. Nah, 159. Oh, they moving. Jordan, we taking this next bear flag down?
Oh yeah, I ain't closed nothing, bro.
Oh, okay.
I'm thinking. I've thought about it. But I'm like, nah.
It's breaking it right now. It's
bro.
Breaking it right now.
They go 15%.
Let's go, bro.
Somebody, when I called that out, somebody texted me and said, "Are you crazy? That's $1,000. $1,000 per contract." I know.
Let's go.
And, but I asked me to go
15%, bro. Sitting cool at 15. 15% is over $20 on spot, bro. Come on now. You just heard it say it like 100. That's 150. 150 get you. That's around $5,000.
Bro, somebody just commented on my Instagram and said the image of me on this Yahoo Finance article is a stock image that's used all over the internet.
You got a clone?
I mean, I have multiple articles. I just ain't never post all of them. That guy must be pretty popular.
He's popular. He is famous. Yeah, it's about to take this next bear flag to the bottom.
Bro, we up, Brody.
421.11.
Bro, we shaking and baking, baby. It's what we do.
421.11. I'm gonna set the alert as well. I just set the target. There we go. Alert has been set. If you break 411.20, if it breaks and hits your target of 421.11, you're filling up the gap. That's the beginning of the gap right there, all the way down.
Filling up or filling down?
Filling down.
Filling down the gap. I never heard nobody say filling down the gap, but it sounds appropriate and inappropriate at the same time. Kim still on here? Kim, man, Kim. What's up, Kim? Kim, why don't you unmute? I gotta let you unmute. My bad. I'm tripping. Yeah, Kim. Talking about it's a perfect impulse move on SPY. That's totally not what I saw, but I would love to act like I saw an impulse wave forming. I didn't.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, I've been around or in and out doing some work while looking at this, but I heard you guys talking about SPY, so I hopped back into my chart and I was like, oh my God, this is a perfect impulse wave, and actually did it on QQQ. So I usually chart NASDAQ, and so I was able to get it from wave 4 to wave 5. So quick, I think it was like 50% really quickly on QQQ options, but it's a perfect impulse wave. It's so perfect.
fire.
Hey, I mean, if you want to share your screen, and matter of fact, how would I set up this impulse wave? Yeah, because you're not sharing your screen. Are you able to
hold
get
on, I'll share it. Hold on one second.
No. Would you be able to walk me through it so I can learn live from the Kim Greenwood?
You want me to do it on your screen or share mine? Which
Well,
one?
I would want, if possible, if it's not too much to ask, for you to say, "Hey, Jordan, you see this level right here? Like
Oh yeah, cool.
that
Let's go
right
for it.
there, and then go right there, and then go right here, and then go right here, and then go right here, and then go right here." And then
Oh
go.
yeah, no, I'm not doing any of that. But scroll. Let me just show you my screen really quickly, and then we'll go back to yours. I think that would.
Fine.
Oh, I can't share my screen.
1 second. You'll be able to very shortly. And while you do, I'm gonna go fix a bowl of cereal. All right, you can go ahead and share it.
Now, Jordan, you
It's
got
not responding. Oh, here it
You-
is.
yours.
You say I gotta stop sharing mine.
Yeah.
The bet, bro. Yeah, I ain't stopped sharing. She took it because she a beast.
So this is SPY. So when it kind of hit that high this morning, this is that, you know how Mike does that whole, this whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mm-hmm.
Like that's essentially like what that is. And so when you go from like wave 3 to wave 4, remember I was chiming in on your chart this morning saying like you're in an impulse wave. The thing between wave 3 and wave 4 is typically really wavy. There's times where I've seen it like wave literally all day, and then like when that power hour hits, it just drops. So this is probably its version of its power hour, which is why I was, I didn't put this in the chat, but when you get to wave 3, you gotta be patient. And you can just sit here, you can try to trade these and stop it and do all you want, but when you know it hits a certain level, it's just gonna come straight down. And even I think Moody, you mentioned it was like a bear flag. That's exactly what this whole thing looks like on a larger time frame. So it may just actually keep going down a little bit more, but on I'm just charting it just from level to level, this is kind of what that looks like. And so I more so trade QQQ. So I charted out a NASDAQ or a mini NASDAQ. And a mini NASDAQ, it's a little more, it's almost a little bit more accurate than SPY when you're doing this, or the levels kind of hit a little bit differently. So on this, I'm anticipating for it to go a little bit further on this level, first level 5, because I think this is, 50%. It may actually go down to 0.68, but I'm at least looking for that level. So I'll stop sharing my screen so you can start like trying to chart it on yours.
Mhm.
If that makes sense. Does that work? Or do you
Yeah,
have questions?
no, I'm about to try to chart it myself.
Fire. That was fire. I'm having to use this.
And so, one thing too,
Oh,
I'm sorry.
I just hit my
You can take
That's
it
okay.
back.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll do it on yours. I'll show it on yours.
SPY just triggered to try to go fill gap at 421.11. It just bounced off of it, but literally just triggered it
I'm triggered when I see you.
again.
All right, so we're taking wave 1 starting at open.
No, you're in SPX. Can you
Uh,
do ES or SPY? Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're on 2 minute. Oh, you did 2 minute. Okay.
All right,
Hold on
so
a second. I'm looking mine really quickly.
wave 1 was
What is
here. I feel like I'll be
can't
making
figure
my
out where
way
you're at.
today.
Because I said morning. Okay. Because that B in the morning looks really big. Can you go to 3 minute maybe?
Oh, come here. Come
Bro,
here.
I told
Fox.
you.
I kept going.
Come
Oh,
here.
let's
Yeah,
go.
I think that's right. Oh no, I see it. Okay. You see where your second high is, the 424.75?
Yeah.
Start there.
So 424.75 is first wave down.
Yeah, that's wave 1 down. That's wave 1 down, and then you'll retrace up to wave 2.
Let's go.
Wave 1, wave 2, yep. Wave 3, go all the way down to wave, yeah, the bottom candle, yep. And then wave 4 is always your wavy wave, always.
Okay.
And then you go straight down to wave 5.
My bad to interrupt you, Kim. I jumped back in the SPY. Same thing. Jordan put out 419 puts next week. I'm already up only 3%. I just jumped in.
That's
at
awesome. Look at that. That's beautiful.
At one right now, and it's filling the gap. I'm gonna try to get the whole gap or partial of it, at least 10% to 15. It's coming back for entry right now.
So let me, from wave 2 to wave 3, it's 285. Wave 4, 285 from wave 4 would be here. But wave 5 is going to be larger than wave 2, right?
In this impulse structure, wave 3 is always your longest wave.
Really?
Yep. And if
Um,
wave 5 is going longer, then it's going to be something different. But that's kind of the beauty of Elliott wave. It just helps you see the structure, and then as it changes, you can adjust. But
I have
if
a question. Is it the same thing? Is it the same thing? Say if you were going for bullish, would it always be zone wave 3 being the largest? I thought it would be wave 2.
No, yeah, wave 3 is always your longest wave. And when you have like that perfect ideal impulse structure, the one that Mike has like perfected and crafted over the years.
Mm.
Sometimes wave 5 is your longest, but the rules are a little bit different with that. But this one kind of hit all the rules when you think about the fib levels. And that's a whole other kind of teaching, but it hit all the rules. So I knew that it would get to a certain level of retracement before it would actually, go down.
Mhm.
And so let me go back to my SPY chart really quickly. Yeah, so this could probably retrace to 1. Let me see. Yeah, so I'm looking at a maximum. If I was in this right now, I would look at the 420.26 level and see what activity happens there. And if it reverses, then I would get out at that point. That's the maximum. And then the next level in between there is, hold on a second.
those SGX puts are up for 25% right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I hit the 78% fib level like perfectly. So it's at 420.85 is a 78.78 fib level. So you could get out here if you wanted to, but it's possible to just make you going down to that 420.26. Once it goes past 420.26 and it's broken like the rules of this particular structure, and then it's starting something else. But you were still able to kind of profit off of just that impulse structure if you were trading it.
It's back to 15. We can go ahead and yeah. Let's pop back up. Yeah. This is what I need right here. I need this right here. I know you want to retest. I understand. I get it. It's fine. You want to retest. That's okay. I accept that. Moody, you muted, Brody. You trimmed. Moody. Why you trim? It's all good, bro.
I was trying to tell people when I was telling Wayne I'm trimming that I'm on 5%. I was trying to jump out though while I was trying to text her, but I'm still in. I got runners.
Okay. Yeah, bro.
I'm just down -5 right now.
-5. You took you didn't take what
I bro.
Yeah, you took some. Yeah, I'm up 16% on that. Oh, let me go ahead. What do we enter in at right here? We entered on that break.
Come on. I need these
Uh,
runners.
we got in here. SPX 4910. 815. And these cost what these cost 1180. Guess how much I paid for that per contract. Oh yeah, there you go. Yes, sir. Well, we're 4 for 4 today for the live trade. 4 for 4, 4 for 4. Like Wendy's. Like Wendy's, we're 4 for 4.
All right. If I could just get this thing to flush down before this inverted head and shoulder starts. And it's starting already.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you already pulled probably. I'm gonna go ahead and
No, yeah, I'm gonna cut these because I'll be at break even. Hold on.
yeah, I'm gonna take this 10%. If we drop back, well, if I drop back to just 10%, I'm gonna go ahead and drop.
No, yeah, I might jump back in because I don't like how they made me break even with those runners. I didn't break even on the trade. It's just from the profits that I've been taking. I ain't really lose anything. But nah, I want those back.
I just got out at 10. I really want to just let this be a swing, but I
Bro, it's good that people are seeing this, bro, because it's like it does. Even when you want something to be a swing, you could be 3 months out. If that 3 months just gave you out of nowhere 50%, are you
bro.
willing? You can always get back in. It's just like how you called it out. I jumped in on the 419 puts. I took my profits. I took my whole entire position out. I jumped back in, right? I told people, him was talking. I was in profits. I trimmed, you know what I'm saying? And I had to take a loss on those runners, but I'm not losing yet. You feel me? So it's just like, it's always good to exercise risk management. It's always good to help people stay in practice about, dang, I should have never cut those runners. But we just reversed.
No, you know we finna keep dropping, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna go fill that gap. It's gonna
it's a little retest, but it's hard to be on the Zoom and not end up scalping. It's like I just
no, yeah, I'm gonna get right back in.
oh yeah.
I'm getting right back in that one.
Oh,
Because I want
yeah. All right, y'all. See, this is what I be talking about. This is why I don't live trade every week. It's because we'll be on here all day. We still gotta teach a class too.
this is why I don't be live trading.
This is why we don't be live trading. We'll be on this mode all day. We cannot get off. Devin said he got out of SPX at 1330.
Oh,
Yeah.
let's
Yeah.
go. Get back, baby. Give it back. Let me just take these right here. Boom. I'll jump back in.
Oh yeah, bro.
Nah. Oh, well, I ain't called it. My bad. I'm trying to tell you, man, just watch this 1 minute. This 1 minute just gives you these setups.
Call it.
I'm gonna jump right back in. Don't worry. I'm trying to see if we're gonna break back over 421.11.
Bro, I'll go ahead. I'm not gonna go same day expiration.
No. What's the whole point of that? There's zero DTE. Them, you see how we're scalping it? Them the theta would have killed us.
Hold on. Oh, that's not what I got out at. I'm sorry. I put the whole. I'm sorry. I did not get out at. That is not my field. I got out at 12.9, not 1130.
All right, so you might turn into a head and shoulder.
I'm tripping. Ain't nobody even tell me that I was like, Jordan, how you get out? Down 50 per contract. That was at 1290.
You say you got down negative 50?
Nah, no. I just put the wrong field price on my and
It's
on
just,
this part.
I'm saying you're on camera, calling trades out live. You know what I'm saying?
4
Also,
for 4 today. 4 for 4. Daily recap gonna be stoop. We took DE for 140%. We took TTCF for 25%. We took SPY calls.
Come on, push back up.
10%. We took SPY puts. How many trades? Are we 5? Do we take 5 trades today?
I don't know. I know I took a SPY right before you. I
We
took it of just watching the candles and off of your emotions. And then I know I took your SPY after that.
Yeah, we did take 65%.
Mm-hmm.
And then we just took SPX puts for 10%.
I don't even be remembering. I just be trading.
Bro, I'm just trying to go through and like, you know, keep my recap, so I don't gotta go try to grab it later.
Oh, I want to get in right now. Let me see the 419, 167. Okay, we just got back.
No losses today.
Mm-mm.
Not yet. I might take a L on Sham today though. Nah, I'm gonna hold that face.
That is up. If you breaking even or you up, just get out the trade.
Mm. Oh yeah, phase just pushed back. Oh,
Phase is a lotto though, right?
yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't no heavy type joint.
No, yeah, I did miss this though when we get on live and just go crazy and stuff like that. And not on a Friday and stuff like that, and just letting people see the charts and you know, just hearing your brain and my brain and everybody else's is dope because people get to learn and then just like really see.
Kim said, what you think about Microsoft? Kim, don't ask me what I think. Take the screen and show us what you think, Kim. Sorry, Kim.
Oh, that's funny. No, I sometimes like on Fridays, like Jordan, like you, I like to do lottos. And so I try to look across a bunch of different stocks to see if there's something significant or something that catches my eye. And I just saw that they have like a huge daily bearish engulfing candle. And so if that holds through the end of the day, that could potentially be an awesome lotto for tomorrow.
Well, so SPY, that's interesting because SPY doesn't, but Microsoft does.
Right. And QQQ doesn't either.
Apple, nah. So Microsoft is definitely leading that way down. Amazon, ooh. Tesla, nope.
Oh,
Tesla,
Amazon. Oh, yes. That's a
yeah,
nice one.
Amazon got it though. So Amazon could be the move. Amazon could be the move. Cause we still got multiple gap targets below on Amazon, just like SPY. We got our close here and we come up here. And we also got our close here. We already filled this one, but I appreciate you doing a live trade like this. The second time I've been able to learn a lot. Mikey said learned a lot today. That's what's up, y'all. I'm glad y'all learning, man. Glad y'all learning. Appreciate y'all letting us know. I want to see y'all and members' ideas in the group. That's really where it's at. When y'all come on there and y'all like, yo, I was on live with Zoom with Jordan and Moody, Kim, you know what I'm saying? And then I learned this. Tomorrow pop out and be like, yo, I traded this because of what I learned. Be awesome. Do I want to take SPY or do I want to take Amazon tomorrow?
Can I share my screen really quickly?
Can you what? Share your screen?
I'll share my screen really quickly.
Yeah, Kim, you don't even gotta ask, just take it. Please ask for it. But yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
I just wanted to show you my Amazon chart. Something me and Mike have been looking at for a minute, but you know, again, it goes back to the whole wave thing. And so we've been kind of waiting for that moment where it may reverse to kind of do a long put on it. I don't know if that's going to be tomorrow, it could be today, it could be next week. I don't know, but this is the trend that we're hoping or that we're looking that it will go to. So not that that's a play or a signal, but that's kind of the beauty of LOE. You just keep watching it. And so for me, I probably would look at this and do a trade on it because of that awesome engulfing candle. And maybe sell it on Monday because maybe it does really well and I could sell it on Monday and then watch it again and get back in and see if it keeps going down to that level 5. But this is a daily candle. So this whole period is like 3 or 4 months worth. So it may take another 3 months to get to this level 5 possibly. Or it may get to halfway and just kind of cut short and come back up. But just know that's like the general trend of what we're looking at, which is why I'm glad you pointed out Amazon, because that candle is kind of significant for us to look at.
So, thank you for your analysis, Kim.
No
Hey,
problem.
man, don't keep hopping on these Zooms. Next thing you know, Mike gonna be like, "Hey, Jordan."
I know Mike's gonna be so mad at me, but whatever. I told him I wanted to share. It's like this awesome stuff. Want more people to know about it.
Appreciate you coming on and sharing that. Moody, I mean, bro. What up, Luther? You want to see it live, Luther? It's live. It's live, baby. All day. All day. All day. I'm sorry. It's like everybody else in the group who don't know is like, what the heck is this dude on? This man just they're like, yo, this dude crazy.
We live now though, Luther. You can
Luther
see
said, I want to see it live. How do y'all look at it live? Come on, Luther. You missing all the trades today, bro. We 5 for 5 today, bro. Moody, what's up?
Hey, we here, baby. You know what I'm saying? We just trying to show the people that we care and show the people, you know what I'm saying, how to actually read these candlesticks. Trust me, we're gonna keep going crazy. And I don't know how we gonna do it, but we're gonna have to like hop on this one day and like not even think about live trading and just go can do, and just teach people like, look, this right here is an inverted pin bar. This is why they call this one a shooter. It's because it's on the top of this uptrend, just to like really show you guys. But no, definitely like right now on the 3-minute, I'm seeing it's just a whole bunch of different patterns, but they're all bear flags. Like right now on a 3-minute, it's still bear flagging and it's looking like it's going to break down. You can see other little small patterns within it, but it's the overall pattern that what you're seeing. And even though the thing is like how you're seeing it filling that gap, how it started to fill it, really it started from 421.11. That's right there. That's the breakout trade. So they're going to keep breaking it down, right? And how they fill gaps a lot of times is because it has no targets. Like if you look all the way to your left and you see that gap in there, after you see all those bottom wicks, there's no more targets. So they have to take out all those targets, aggregate the price back up, give you more targets, right? You see how like I'm on a 3-minute, but you'll see all those wick on a bear flag. It'll aggregate back up. It'll possibly take it to like the 50% mark of the RSI, and then it'll flush straight back down and it'll fill the gap. It's trying to fill the gap all the way down to 420.16. And that'll be, hey, the gap to the downside has now been filled. But you see right now it's starting to push back down, trying to break. And you could keep catching it at 421.11. You could keep catching it right there. Once it goes back up there, enter for puts, hold it till you go down, profits. Take it every single time. 10%, 7%, take them.
What's our daily gap fill on Amazon? Down 137. Oh, but Amazon doesn't have the Monday. You ready to reload, Brody?
We can.
Back in. Yep, because it's doing the do. All right, this time I'm gonna just hold it, bro. I'm not gonna let this turn into a scalp.
All right, we're gonna catch it right here at support, break support. We're gonna catch it at resistance.
Damn, that trade I called earlier is what is it doing?
I don't know. That thing going stupid though.
Yeah, it
There,
is. Yeah,
is,
I think
missed the move. Don't even worry about it. There it goes.
I'm done.
We can catch it back at resistance.
On to the next one. Hold up. Freeze.
And prime example, you see how this is happening right now? You don't catch FOMO and be like, you know what? No, let me just go ahead and jump in, because you jump in and now it starts wicking up. And now your entry is all the way down there. Right? So you just wait, right? It just broke the bear flag that we was talking about on the 3-minute. It did it on the 1-minute as well.
Somebody bring me back some money, please. Could we all right, we're gonna go ahead and take our entry in a second, bro.
You trying to go 6 for 6 or you swinging?
Nah, I'm gonna swing, bro. I'm gonna just let the swing ride. I'm
All right.
going to let it ride. Let me pop on the 2. Let me zoom in.
Let me see. Let
Alright.
me. Or did we break RSI? No. Where we?
Yeah, we are breaking down. I'm about to go ahead. 4150 SPX 1310. All right, I'm gonna go flip on over. So that's what I just got in on SPX 415 with a 0. How do you say that number? 4150. There we go. 4150 puts on SPX. I got filled at for 17th. For the 17th, I got filled at 1310. For the 17th.
All right. I just went 417 puts August 15th for my swing.
I wanna so bad get something for tomorrow, but I'm gonna leave it, bro.
3. I'm in already.
All right, and I'm done. I'm gonna just let this be a swing. We didn't took
All
we
right.
took 40, 25, 10, 65, 10 today. I'm gonna let this be a swing. I'm not gonna worry about if it starts
You
trying to
sure, bro? I'm up 1% already.
take profits, take profits.
No, I'm up 2%. I'm lying. It's just moving fast.
Uh,
Entry was 123. It's probably gonna come back there though.
all right. I'm done after this. I'm done. I'm done.
Man, it's hard, man. We got a whole
Bye.
hour and a half left, bro.
Yeah, if you want to take the same trade, you could trade the same thing on SPY. So this SPY correlation will be a 415 for the 17th.
Mm-hmm.
415 for the 17th. So that's coming out to here.
Bro, man, UPS probably, man, I should have never cut those, bro. Them contracts.
What time you guys live trading tomorrow? Pastor's live trading. We're not live trading tomorrow. Another guy in our group is live trading tomorrow. I don't know if you came from Instagram or what. Pastor Prince is gonna be live trading tomorrow at 9:30. Jay should be on his pre-market Zoom at 8:30. Tim said up 30% on your puts. Got in. Perfect. Luann, expiration is the 17th. And then somebody said, bro, what's up, bro? Jay's pre-market Zooms are awesome. Of course. Why trade SPX and not SPY? It could be kind of like a personal preference type of deal. So I still haven't looked deep into like the whole tax effect. Let me go look it up, bro. SPX taxes, SPX tax benefits. All right. Why is SPX better for taxes? The tax rate for capital gains is lower than the tax rate on ordinary income. You gain tax relief for the gains made on SPX options. SPY. Okay, let's look at this. Let's live learning.
Jordan, guess what just happened? Breaking news. The Ethereum merge has began schedule for September 15th through the 16th.
Damn, I wonder how that's free. Is SPY reacting, bro?
Is SPY reacting to it? Nah.
Okay. So why trade SPX? Okay, let's see. Gains associated with SPX tradings are taxed as long term, right? So you're going to automatically be taxed at a better rate on SPX. So if nothing else, aside from the fact that because I'm trading with higher dollar amount, I guess you could say, like with SPY, I have to like SPY, I have to put in a bunch of contracts. SPX, I could check like 6, 7 contracts, depending on what I'm getting in and be done. Or even 4 contracts. I'm not going crazy heavy. But then literally you're taxed at a better rate. So if you're going to be trading the same thing, right? Like if you're trading, they move the same, right? So if you're going to be trading the same thing, but one of them, you know that you're going to be able to get taxed at a better rate than the other. Why not trade the ones you're going to get taxed better at?
They're saying to check your SP.
I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Dang, bro. SPX. Did I put the wrong thing again? I didn't put an expiration. Tell them folks get on the Zoom if they miss. I appreciate y'all letting me know. My bad, man. 817. That's the wrong strike, man. Oh no, that's the right strike. Oh yeah. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. That's the right strike. Yeah. Yeah, that strike is did I put 350? I put 4. I put 4. But that's still like trading into the like anticipated gap fill. Am I tripping? Tell me I'm not tripping. Am I tripping? Where's 4150? Oh yeah, 41. Damn, that's it down here. It's cool. We run with it. Can I what day you live trade in the afternoon? Oh yeah, this was a spur of the moment. So I have like one of our traders, this is funny. We have a trader who live trades every week, 3 times a week. This one specifically was just like a spur in the moment. Moody hit me up in the morning. I was like, nah, I was still in the bed. Moody's like, bro, you want to live trade today? I'm like, yeah. Cause I've been thinking about it. But so yeah, we usually don't do this. The reason that I don't live trade that often is because I've been on here since the market opened. Like I went to go pick up my little brother and little sister because the place they were at had a fire alarm going off and like fire trucks was pulling up. But after I picked them up, like I went right back to the chart. So been on Zoom for like 5 hours or 4 hours or whatever. And I'm in Orlando on a trip and I'm sitting here on Zoom. So that's why I don't do this too much because I just be sitting here. Stop loss on SPX. What's the Jordan stop loss, not the Discord stop loss? Dennis, there is no stop loss on this trade because it's gonna just hit profit. You need to be worried about when you're taking your money, bro. You're not gonna lose on this trade. Shade up, you didn't know this was happening. Y'all in Orlando? Man, man, where y'all at? Where the keys at? Where y'all at? Pull up. Let's go get breakfast tomorrow. Latoya, Shanice, what's up? DM me on Discord. I just had breakfast with Britt and Quinn yesterday or Tuesday. Yeah, Dennis, we don't worry about stop losses when we win, baby. We just, we worry about when you taking your money. You're not gonna lose no money, bro.
God, bro, I love it.
Nah. I put 5 in the chat. Let's go to 5 minutes. As far as a stop, bro, cause I'm planning on holding this in 2 tomorrow. So I'm really trying to go ahead and take that gap fill. You could use a 2 candle high trailing stop if you want to. So whenever you take out the high of the previous, 2 candles previous, I don't know how to say that in regular English. You can stop out. My plan is to hold this overnight completely. I got a Wednesday expiration, so I'm not too pressed. So I'm gonna carry it overnight. Exactly, bro. Your stop loss is a trailing stop loss in profit. But yeah, Latoya, whoever, if y'all in Orlando, DM me. We can all have a breakfast tomorrow. DM me on Discord.
Just tell him to bring.
You said something to bring what?
Just tell Jordan to bring his laptop.
Oh, bro, that's what we did Tuesday. We went and got breakfast and then we went to a coffee shop and was trading. I'm closer to Kissimmee though. I'm closer to the Kissimmee area. I'm not like deep in Orlando.
Okay. You can't trade.
Not on Robinhood.
You can trade SPY. Or you can trade SPX. XPXS. Oh, I said SPX, didn't I? XPS. Let me go. Hold on. I'll be forgetting the tickers sometimes. I'm about to tell you right now. Yeah, I was right. XPXS or XPXL. XPSX for shorts. and SPXL.
Leverage ETF.
Yeah, they're leveraged ETF. That's what I normally use for spot puts. But I trust my man Jordan, and I trust what I see on the chart. Because I normally don't be swinging spot. I be having trauma from it. Anybody got questions though? I'm super happy that you guys are learning, man. And don't worry, I'm gonna wake up Jordan throughout the week, so I'm gonna be like, "Yo, Jordan, you trying to go live trade again?" I got y'all.
Dennis, why are you talking to me about a stop loss? Dennis, don't do that, bro. You're in profit. I don't know how much, but whatever, bro. You got some. Even if it's 10% again. Even if it's 5%.
Run.
Yeah.
Dennis want them 100%.
Bro, that's what we do though.
You dig?
That's what I do. Oh, them SPY calls, them puts I called out earlier be cray.
Luther, what you looking at, man? You look interested. He like, ooh, I see that. Oh, we can't hear you, Luther.
Oh, you muted.
Hold on, Luther.
Hold on 1 second. Let me hit the chat first. Expiration on spot put. I'm currently in the SPX put that expires on the 17th. 4150 put. If you want to swing with us tonight, Moody, they asking what SPXS would you want? When you say coming into the gap, what do you mean? I did a class on gaps. A gap, this is a gap. All right. Now you see the market, because of the pre-market and post-market action, it caused a gap to occur where the price closed, the price opened different from a level where it closed at. That creates a gap. But I just did a class on that. So look in the recorded class in section of the Discord, you'll see that. Mikey said, you don't use a stop loss to secure profit, ? Yeah, you do, bro. So when I was talking about that, I'm talking about using a trailing stop loss, which would mean like once you go up 5%, 10%, for example, you can move a stop loss or a stop market sell order to then stop you out, but it will stop you out in profit. So it's still a stop. It technically shouldn't be a stop loss anymore, but it's stopping you from losing your profit. So you go up 10%, you can set an order to take you out if you go back to break even and so on. So that was just like what I meant when I said take your stop loss and put it in profit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and unmute Luther.
Hey, real quick, just so I can answer that question. If you would want to swing spot puts with us, you wouldn't want to swing SPSS. If you swing SPSX, you might want to go for calls on SPSX, right? So what you would want to do is swing SPSL, right? And you will want to short SPSL, right? The long version of SPY, right? So you would short SPSL, and those are actually easy to choose. You could just go at the money. You get I believe the expiration date is going to be August 19th on it. Let me double check.
Still green for today.
Yeah, August 19th, and then the next expiration is September 16th. So you could go with August 19th, and just to save yourself on theta, you could just go for like the 80 puts, right? Because the theta is going to be around $8.75 versus being $14, right? Just an $8 more difference. Or you can still go at the money at those $85 puts. And one more thing, another thing that you can do exactly what I just said. And then with SPXS, you'll just go for calls on that one, right? And that's basically hedging yourself, right? You'll lose on one, or you'll lose on one, win on another, or you can win on both if you hold it long enough. You're welcome, bro. I think it was Luther, you was trying to say something, bro?
No, I was just looking at this square and all that there. I'm kind of late to the part. I've been doing other things, but it's just feel like it's too late to get in for the day. See what it go in, what it do tomorrow. But it showed hit that thing 420 resistance, man. And everything that went to hell ever since.
You was talking about Square?
No, the spot hit up there around that 425 or something like that. I had a level up there and it been going down ever since, I think. I know it hit somewhere up there today.
Yeah, the ones that I just jumped into too. Well, I just call it like his Jordan's spy put because I just took it off his SPX. But the 417s, they've been bouncing. I'm gonna swing those. They've been bouncing anywhere between 6% to breaking even.
Yeah, it hit that May 5th area up there. And seemed like it's been going to hell ever since. I don't know where it's going at, but I know it might retest it tomorrow. It might be a fake out. I don't know. I wish I could have caught some of these Jordan trades instead of doing what I had to do today. Feel bad.
Don't feel bad.
Don't feel bad. It's gonna be way great.
As long as I don't die, there'll be more trades from me. As long as I don't die, I'm still gonna be trading, bro.
That might get me a bowl of cereal.
Right for me, sir. Folks be trying to talk noise about my cereal, bro. That's why I be trading so good.
Nah, my actually went and got some cereal, bro. She craving cereal. About to eat me some Frosted Flakes too. What kind of cereal you be eating, bro?
Man, well, I went a little out the ordinary since I'm out of town. I got some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Yes, sir. Is Spy gonna bounce off of 420? Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. It should. You know.
We just being risky.
Hey, bro.
This is
Like I said earlier, bro, when you hit your, whatever like amount of money you trying to make, or when you exceed it, and it's like, all right, I got an extra band or extra 2 bands more than what I was like trying to get or aim for or whatever. I'm so disattached. I'm so like removed from it. Like, yeah, okay, if we make it, we make it.
Oh, Quinn back in the chat. Yo, Quinn going crazy, bro.
Bro.
Yo, I love to see it, bro, because he's like, yo, hit 7K or it was like 5 or 8K or something. Put out
Quinn up like 5K today, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Then he come back and he's like, yo, he did good for the beginning of the week, then lost all his profits. And he's like, nah, we're gonna get it right back. Don't worry about it. Up way over 5K. Stop playing.
It's my fault he lost, bro. It's my fault he lost. We was up in Starbucks and Spy was just consolidating, bro. It'll make a move, it'll break out and then consolidate immediately.
Nah, I don't call that losing, bro. I call that robbery. That's the market, robbing people. That ain't.
Hey, we up 10% on them new puts we got. I'm gonna go ahead and take Amazon as a lotto.
Woo! Yeah, I'm up 12%.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to swing it now, bro.
Swing it, bro. Swing it, bro. Swing it, bro. Swing it.
I'm gonna trim.
Live a little, bro. Live a little.
I'm gonna trim 50% instead of like 75%.
Hey, bro, you can trim, man.
Yo, but Mike made me want to like reevaluate my stuff yesterday when he was like, he be trimming like at 80%. I was like, I'm trimming at 75. 80%.
Yeah.
That means I can let the runners live a little longer.
Bro, call me crazy, but I'm not crazy. It was such a relief to hear Mike say so much stuff that I be talking about.
Bro.
And I'm like, bro, because like folks really don't be getting it.
Yeah.
But to hear like, somebody else like, yeah, I'm like, bro, that's the same stuff I've been telling you, folks, bro. Look at Spot. I'm done. We gone.
I'm done. Where we at?
I don't know, but I just know that I just know that I was born to do this.
Hey, 6 for 6, 23%.
Yeah,
6
bro. We 6 for 6 today, bro.
Go. Now look, all I want to say is now y'all was able to actually see Jordan do this multiple times and also today, but you're able to see me do it. How many times have I not jumped in a trade and took my percentage, whether it was 10%, 7%, 15%, and now I'm on another trade and I'm up way over 20%, right? But he's telling me, nah, just go ahead and swing it. I want to take some. But he like, go ahead and swing it. You see, it's just the discipline. Once you're able to be disciplined on like, hey, I jumped in this trade, 10%. Oh, I don't care. I'm not trying to, oh, I know I want more. No, you're going to take it. And then you'll start learning about positioning size and you'll start buying you 30, 40, 10 contracts, 100 contracts, depending, right? Y'all heard me and Jordan talk about it. Like, I know Jordan to trade 2K to 5K because I know that he's going to throw 1K to a trade regardless. You know what I'm saying? That's why I was breaking it down. That's why I was like, yo, Jordan, we could go SPY puts, 100 contracts, and I mean a honey bun. Why? Because that was going to be less than our positioning size and less than $5,000. We could have went 150 contracts. I let people know that. You should have known how many contracts I had. Why would we wait when we're up 10%? We up 150. I said 150. Sorry, 20% on SPY. Why would we wait? Just take that. All you gotta think about what's 10% of 5,000. $300 to $500 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. And that's why I like to trade with 5,000. Honestly, it's just so easy. It is so easy when you have that much money to be able to just trade with, not the money in your account, but money to be able to trade with, because you'll start, oh, $300? Oh, I'll take that. I'm up $300 today. Oh, $500, 10%? Oh, I'll take that. You're going to do it every single time. And you're going to be motivated to just, hey, look, I'm just shooting. You're not shooting no more for 50%, 80%. You're shooting for small targets and playing with enough capital. And that's the game right there. I promise you, you do that for 2 weeks, it'll change your life. I think Quinn trying to say something, bro. He muted.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. Quinn. Hey, Quinn, let me know when you're trying to run it back, bro.
Bro said, he said, I'm up 60%. Tim said, I'm up 60%. I want to swing, but I may have to jump. Bro, take those profits. Take those profits. Look how long we
Jay,
whole hour left.
we can do that one.
Oh, God.
You breaking up, bro.
Yeah, Quinn, you breaking up. It sounded like he was talking about how we played one-on-one the other day. I hit him with
yeah, and I got you the first game, but you got me the second one done, so it's all good.
Okay.
He did win the
Don't
first
say
game.
this.
He did win the first game.
Jay tough though, you know what I'm saying, but he had my age, so I said I had a handicap.
Hey, yeah, Quinn was really moving, bro. Like you wouldn't have thought Quinn was 39, bro. He was moving like he was young, bro.
Yo, I
Yeah,
stay
bro.
in shape, bro. That's what I do. But Father Time gonna catch you at some point, though. You can't beat him.
Look, I'm gonna say something to somebody said in the chat. So borrow 5K and then just pay the loan back at the end of the month. I am not a financial advisor. I don't even suggest things, but one thing that I would say, that's not a bad idea if you know you're a profitable trader. Why? Because hey, how much money can you make with $5,000? How you have to look at it is like, okay, I just borrowed $5,000. I put it into the account. I just traded. I made $500, right? All right. Whatever the case may be, I just made $500 today. The next day, I made another $500. Yeah, you're going to pay back the loan. But by the time you get to like $3,000, take those $5,000 out. Go pay the loan. You got $3,000 to now gamble with, and you already had money to use. Don't put yourself in a predicament. Like if you get close to already about to pay that loan off, just go ahead and pay it off. You still have profits. Now use that profits to trade. Or you do if you at $3,000, now you just start trading with anywhere between $300 to like $700. If you're risky, use $1,000. That's over leveraging, but use $1,000. But you always set you have to have like, okay, if I put up $1,000, I don't want to, I'll lose 800. Right? But once you start doing that and you start buying more contracts, you can't go off of percentages as much as when you was doing 1 to 3 contracts, right? Because once I'm down, let's just talk dollar amounts. Once I'm down let's just say $2 and I bought 100 contracts, that's $200 down. That's what you got to keep in mind. So you can't go with that. You can't go with that emotion. You know what I'm saying? You got to go with the chart shows you. But yeah,
Spit
man.
that stuff, bro. Spit that stuff, bro.
And that's how you size your accounts, and you just keep growing it. It's all about discipline. That's what it is discipline. And it starts off the charts. Whatever you do off the charts, it shows up on the charts. If you're disciplined, if you tell yourself, hey, I'm gonna wake up in the morning and I'm gonna do this, cool. If it's something that you have to do for your job, don't look at that as discipline, because you're going to do that to survive. That's survival mode, right? When you get off of your job, anything that you tell yourself, like, yo, I'm about to go cook right now for my kids, yo, I'm about to go do this, that's the discipline. So now you just look at, okay, I told myself I wanted to go play basketball today. Did you go play basketball? You didn't have no discipline. You didn't respect yourself to want to go play basketball. Once your mind starts telling you, oh, but this happened, but this happens, what you tell your mind is, I don't want to hear those excuses. Those are excuses, regardless of the fact it's an excuse, right? So it's just
No excuses, bro. No excuses. Right,
Right.
Moody?
It's a
Yo,
fact.
it's 84 people on this call, yo. How many of y'all took these plays today this man be calling out? Man, put some yeses in that chat or something, bro. How y'all not getting these bags this man giving out today, bro? Y'all not getting these bags? Let's go!
Let's go.
Stop playing, man. Let's go. I'm like, yo.
Let's
Let's go.
go. Yeah.
Everybody listening, man. Y'all better get in these plays, man. Pull that trigger, man. Like, y'all know my energy. I'm on it. I'm on it.
Let's go. Let's go. And he driving. You feel the energy? He driving. He ain't even paying attention to the road. He looking at the Zoom camera. He trying to motivate
Yo.
y'all. Go.
I'm trying to get these folks to pull that trigger, man. Like, y'all not seeing this, man? Like, man, stop playing, man.
This is what you do. When you go to other Discords, like when we were talking about Discords, this is what you do. When you jump on a live, are you just getting call outs? Are you being walked through this? Are they allowing you to unmute yourself? These are the things that you look for. Are they really helping us? You know what I'm saying? Are the members really engaging, or are the members engaging with themselves? Right? You gotta look at that. And I'm saying that's why, like, I'll say the same thing Jordan says. That's the only reason I don't live trade, is because, man, look at my classes. That's just a class. And I still don't get off. I'll be like, okay, I gotta go do this. Then I'll be on there for another 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Look at Jordan. I asked him, do you want to live trade? Bro, we were just supposed to do it for about an hour or something. Still on. A meeting happens. I have to hop off. He has a fire alarm, has to go pick up his not kids, but his siblings, right? Once he picks up his siblings, I'm on a call, on a meeting, trying to bring more resources into the Discord, something that Jordan needs to be in a meeting. He's like, nah, y'all handle that. We going back on Zoom. And I'm like, we're in the meeting and we're showing the person, like, you see the kind of energy? You're gonna have to match this energy. Like, that's the energy you're gonna have to match. Oh, okay, let's go, let's get it. I'm like, all right, look, D-Wiz, you handle the meeting. I'm going back on the Zoom to go help my brother. Let's go help people. You feel me? And look, and we still on here. Moody got a class. It's 3 o'clock at 5:30.
Bruh. Oh, that phase call was dead though. We're gonna hold it out.
Oh, you just made all that back. You could just
Oh yeah. Oh, bro. No, I was never worried about that.
cut it. Like, that's not.
No. I'm definitely fine with that. I'm gonna let that roll until tomorrow anyway. Definitely traded and drove today. Shayda tried to trade and drive today, wasn't successful. Yeah, trading and driving is a skill. You got to practice it like in a parking lot. You know, practice it first around your neighborhood. Ain't too many cars out. You know, you get used to it though. You get used to it. Use them stop signs. Pay attention. I be running stop signs when I'm trading and driving. I'm like, oh snap, that was. You
Bro,
know, stop
I
sign.
hate stop Atlanta. Bro, I got hit in Atlanta trading, bro. Driving back home, and it was not even a stop light or a stop sign. They had like small little lights, and a cop was behind me and told me I ran two of them. And I'm like, I'm at the third one, and you just stopping me now? I'm like, bro, that was not no red light. You know that's not a red light. I'm like, look at my license, bro. I live in the country. You know what a traffic light look like to me. But yeah, you got to practice that, like Jordan said.
But we
Yeah.
don't condone trading and driving. We don't. Shade up, yeah, doing it on the freeway ain't safe.
Oh, yeah.
Man,
Be brave.
I don't know what it is about me where I just be like, you got to make sure if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right? You want to have your phone, don't have your phone like down while your hand up here. You want to make sure. Oh, you in Dallas? Never mind. You ain't there. Nah, Dallas different. Dallas.
People not to do it, but he's gonna teach you how to do it. Don't do what I do.
I've been doing it all day, bro. And my phone like this in my hand, and I got my holder. I got my bracket on it. I see how the alert come in. We out of here, bro. We outta here. Hey, yo, I'm out of bounds, man. I'm going to be back in a bit, though.
Bet, bro.
Quinn, before you leave, you ever been on a trade and it's going up and you hit your gas, just a moon rocket or some more?
Bro, I haven't done that, man, but I had some situations, man, so I need to chill.
You have a blessed one, bro.
Yes, sir. Yo, Jay, man, we can link that up whenever, man.
Bet, bro. I'm gonna
Trump
text you. Bro.
MSC gonna be fired this week too.
Oh yeah. Come on.
We going all the way up.
Come on. All right. Look at
Hey,
that.
Luther, what's good, bro? I'm gonna holler at y'all. Be good.
All right, bro. Deuces.
Let's go, bro.
Look at that PMG on SPY or SPX, PMG on the 1 minute to the upside, but we gotta hold, we got this level right here, we holding. I'm not closing this though, I'm holding this.
Yeah, I'm holding it too.
I'm holding. I'm not closing it.
I ain't even trim yet. I was gonna trim, but I ain't even trim yet.
I'm closing mine tomorrow though.
I don't know. I might close it today, bro.
Bro,
I'm gonna-
swing it.
I'm a swing, but I'm taking some profits off the table.
Yes, you should definitely take some profit, bro. What expiration you get?
8:15.
Okay.
It's the 417 puts.
Yeah. Swing it. Yeah, even if we just fill the first gap. What was Dennis saying again? Let me follow up with Dennis. Dennis, do you still need a stop loss, bro? 'Cause I mean, if you worried about that, you can just take the profits now. You know. You can take the profits now if you need
Any
to.
more profits?
It's all good, bro. I understand if you want to, you know.
Bro, unmute Dennis, bro. He probably trying to unmute.
Oh, I couldn't even tell, bro. Here we go. Oh, hell, he said 1 second, man. That man finna put that headset on.
He about to go driving.
MK, you just dropped the last digit off of spot.
No, I'm in the D.
Not yourself on that one, so we don't
Tell them to get on
need
the Zoom.
any interaction between Nick or Lamar's for this. This is just creating-
Tell them to hop on the Zoom and catch these trades, bro.
I said I'm not closing out to 100%, bro.
Oh, I'm with
Like,
that.
that's what I
I'm with
said.
that. I'm with that.
What I keep telling everybody, I got Biden on me with these student loans, and we need to get these knocked out. So 100%, bro. Like 100%. 44K.
All right.
That's what we need. 44K
Okay.
by the end of the year.
Where's Big O at? Big O was talking about making $100 a day for every day. I think we just cut out like a month of work for him.
Facts.
Can y'all explain XPXS and XPXL? One is bear, one is bull. Yeah, XPXX is the short, and XPXL is the long leverage ETFs for SPY. All right, so a lot of the ETFs have inverted ETFs and leveraged. I'm gonna go ahead and mute you back, Dennis. So if we look at XPXL versus SPXS, we can look it up. Minimize the chat. All right. All right. So SPXS is 3 times, and then SPXL is 3 times as well. Flip it over. Okay. So what you'll notice is these are leveraged and inverse leveraged ETFs. And they seek to do 3 times what SPY does, whether it's to the upside or the downside. And I'm not going to read off of this, but that's basically it, right? So we pop back to, let's go to SPY. So we go to SPY and we're looking at today. Today's not a good example because SPY is flat. July 17th, 27th, sorry. So July 27th, SPY went up 2.6%. All right. If we go to XPXL, July 27th, look at what it did. It went up 7.7%. All right. So this went up 7.7. SPY went up 2.6. And if we go XPXS, it went down 7.7.
Mhm.
All right. So that's ways that you can, one, you can hedge, like if we're in a bear market and obviously we just saw, right, SPY went up 2%, this went down 7%. So if you think about a bear market, right, we go back, we slide over here to the COVID drop, right? We slide over here to when COVID was popping off, and we see SPXS was all the way up here at 288, right? And then it came back down, so when things are going down, this is going to go up. And that's really it. So if you want to trade, usually there's a lot less liquidity on those options. But it's kind of like trading the VIX instead of trading SPY. You could trade this instead of trading SPY. You could trade the VIX instead of trading SPY in most cases to capture that move. SPY just flashed red for a quick second. Give me the red. Go green or red.
Let's go.
Man, after this, I'm going to sleep. And I'm not really going to sleep, but I want to. I need a refund for my cabana. I'm be like, hey, since I never can I but not even a refund, can I just kick it out to a different day?
I'm like, that's paid for already.
Yeah, exactly. They're gonna be like, nope. Somebody reserve it.
Exactly.
Oh yeah. SPY just flipped green to red.
Just to add to what Jordan said, is everything that Jordan said, and then XPXS is the inverse of SPY.
Said that, bro.
Oh, you did? My bad.
Yeah, damn.
I heard you talking about it, so I was like, oh snap.
It ain't nothing, bro.
I ain't here.
Ain't no big deal, buddy.
Let me see. American Airlines steal. Jesus.
Yeah, I'm not on. I mean, you could call it a vacation, I guess. Yeah, I'm in Orlando. I ain't call it a vacation. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, I'm in Orlando this week. But I spent all day trading right here.
Right here.
Right here. I still got my breakfast plate right here. Right here.
A whole bunch of stuff. Hey, bro, SPY's just she's just out here printing money, bro. Where we at? Let me see, because I just seen the chart. We're at 25%, 26, 26.
Today, could it be helpful to swing? So XPXL, yeah. So you could swing SPXL puts. You could swing VIX calls. If you were trying to have a different way of trading SPY. But again, I personally don't trade options on the leveraged ETFs because they typically have a lot less liquidity. The bids and the ads are going to be a little wider. The spreads are going to be bad. You can also look at trading SH, which is the inverse as well. It's just not leveraged like SPXS. So you could trade SH. I won't know you from your name on here, but I know of you on IG. So you gonna message me? That's a bet, bro. I'm on vacation. Yeah, whatever. No, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? How do Tesla look for a swing for puts? Probably look good. Everything looks good. Tesla, okay, it don't look as good as I thought. Well, actually, this is a pretty decent size. So I mean, you could take it down here. I would realistically want to wait for a break through from this low. So I wouldn't want to take Tesla. All right, when you look at Tesla, you can see it can retest its support. But when you look at something like Amazon, you see Amazon already broke that low of the previous day's candle. So its next level is going to be down here for real. As far as like a solid level, especially with the gap fill. All right, when you go back and look at Microsoft, you see more of the same, right? Microsoft bearish engulfing. So Microsoft puts coming into tomorrow will be pretty good, or even coming into next week for the swing will look, just on the chart, it looks a lot better than Tesla. Because you're overextended, bearish engulfing. All right, Tesla, you might be a little overextended to the buy side. Actually, Tesla's been cooling off some. So I like Microsoft a lot better.
Hey, go ahead and trim some up right here at 30%. Just
No.
follow.
No.
I'm gonna trim a little something. I'm not even gonna trim half the position. I'm just trimming a little.
All right, man. I'm not trimming, bro. If my position dies overnight, it dies. I don't care.
I only got out of 25% of the position, bro.
All right, bro. Are you gonna swing the rest of it, man?
Yeah, I am.
I heard it. I
to-
believe you. I believe you. I heard it in your voice. Your voice said, I really want to close this right now, but I'm gonna swing the rest of it.
Just look at tomorrow like a new day. But nah, I must you, bro. It's just moving so nicely to the downside. And it's just beautiful how the 1 minute's just been on a downtrend for a while. Hasn't even broke yet.
So we 6 for 6, D, TTCS, SPY, SPX, SPX. And then we got phase, bro, which I'm swinging into tomorrow. That might be a loss. That'll be all right. Bruh. Yeah, this is all because I took those 2 losses on Wednesday. Them 2 losses on Wednesday had me like, I thought I just messed up the whole week, bro.
Nah, I don't do that.
I know I'm finna be so messed up the rest of the day. I'll be walking around. All right. Y'all got any questions? I mean, y'all got any questions y'all want to drop? Any questions? Anything y'all want to talk about? Questions, comments, concerns, feedback, things we can improve with the Discord. Should I get a haircut? I don't know. Y'all want to see me pop out with dreads one time?
What we start tomorrow? What you mean by that, Tim?
Tim said, what time y'all live trading tomorrow?
Oh, you said we live trading tomorrow?
No, Pastor live trading, bro.
Oh, okay, yeah, bet. Yeah, Pastor got Pastor going
Pastor got it on.
crazy. Zay gonna go crazy. Avery, everybody gonna go crazy.
Am I throwing another swing or did you miss it? I don't really plan on doing another swing. I think I'm good.
Yeah, I think I want to sleep well tonight. I don't want to be thinking about are we up or down. I'm gonna be looking at that's because I'm swinging SPY.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done after this. Yeah, no, I don't have any. I could drop an idea, but I'm not taking no more swings. I done took like 6, 7 trades today. I think, yeah. I closed, I closed 2, took and closed 4. No, I'm sorry, because 2 of them I left off. 2 of them I didn't even call out, I think. I just took them myself. Or I called out but didn't like signal officially or whatever. Amazon looks better than Tesla, but what strike? It should be best to go at like you can go at the money if you're gonna swing it into tomorrow, like same Friday expiration. You can go 140. You don't want to go too far out the money. I mean, even if we get the move, you still gotta compensate for the cost of premium. So you can go 140 on Amazon if you're gonna take puts. That's what I would take. I'm not giving any advice, of course. How low will Apple go during a recession? I don't know, because it looks like the market doesn't care that we're in a recession. Um, on the monthly chart, I mean, if anything, I always anticipate us retesting this 130 area. If we do get a pullback here. All right, so that's what I would look at. You know, got an upper trend line rejection going on. You're gonna write a bad IG review if Jay and Moody don't live trade again. Come on, bro. You ain't gotta
Damn,
do that. We'll do it again. We'll do it again.
damn. Was that a threat?
Hey, I'm gonna do a private live trading with you. Everything gonna be minus 99%.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be like, oh, this is perfect for calls. Hey, get puts, bro. Nah, I'm playing. I wouldn't do that.
Right.
Um,
Better ask Jordan. Moody did not want to be a moderator.
he sure did. For Microsoft, the AI trade bot is suggesting calls. Thoughts? I don't have any thoughts about it. Depends on what expiration, though. I mean, it's one thing if it's saying calls tomorrow. It's another thing if it's saying calls for 2 weeks from now. I don't know. I don't look at what I'm doing and then be like, well, this bot said it thinks something else. You know what I'm saying? That don't really matter to me. Um, I'm gonna go look at what you were talking about. Microsoft from the bot. Microsoft. Yeah. So, yeah, it did call for calls. Um, it's also calling for calls that are at the money. So that might even be just like a little anticipation of a bounce. I don't know. Um, the way I use any of the bots we have, if I do use them, is if I'm like, I feel like taking a trade and I don't see anything setting up, like, or whatever tickers I'm looking at, because usually I just look at SPY, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Boeing. Usually I just kind of flip through those if SPY isn't showing me anything. Then I'll go look at some of the bots and see if they have anything popping up. And then I'll take what they have as an idea, come chart it out. And if it makes sense to me based on that, then I'll look at it. But no, the bot isn't gonna turn me away from what I'm thinking. Nah. Shada, no pressure, never, baby. Y'all killed it today, bro. Appreciate the bread for Blacks Academy. Yeah, go get on that, bro. Go get on that. Use that link. What broker do we use? I use Tastyworks mainly. Dip buyers trying to come in. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm feeling good about tomorrow. We still
But
got
I do want to say something, bro. I just want to say shout out to Jordan. Seriously, bro, shout out to you. Hats off, even though my braids and everything looking crazy, right? Being recorded. But long story short, bro, shout out to you, man. And the reason I say that is because I know I'm a fire trader. I know I do dope things. I'm aware of my energy and the person that I am. But you also give me a platform to be able to shine and to be able to show people who Moody is, who Kelvin is, right? So I just truly appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate everything that you do, right? Because regardless of the fact that I was already doing this stuff, you have given me a platform, right? And you have also helped me grow my brand. And a lot of other people wouldn't be aware of the things that I may know or think that I know. You know what I'm saying? And just helping me expose it and making people aware of that, man. So truly, man, from me to you, hats off to you, bro. I thank you. I can never show nothing but gratitude to you from the first day that I met you online and, you know, actually giving you an interview. You've been a stand-up guy, bro. You've been solid, and I truly appreciate you. You do things that you don't have to do. Even when you make certain decisions, you'll ask me about what I think or how it can affect me. So that just shows me that you're very mindful and you're very caring about an individual, right? So I just really appreciate you, bro. I know I wanted to just call you and just tell you that, but we're having a good time here on live, and I think it's great for other people to hear how I speak to you, you know, offline. And I'm just really, really, truly grateful, bro. Thank you for being you. Thank you for always giving me an opportunity. Thank you for always helping me see an opportunity and just pushing me forward, bro. Appreciate you.
Why are we doing that to me, bro?
I just appreciate you, bro. And
Thank
it's because I'm reading all these shout outs. Like, I just went to the testimonial and I'm seeing what people saying. And I'm like, man, I appreciate you. I'm glad that I asked you to live trade, but it's still your decision. You came on here, you calling out those plays, you looking at the candles. Yeah, I may be calling out plays too and looking at my candles and saying things, but people have to understand to always look at the root situation. You know, none of this would be happening. Nobody would know who Moody is if it wasn't for Jordan. So that's why I say what I say, bro. You got to go to the root thing. You have to be grateful and show gratitude. And that's why I believe that I am truly blessed. And it's because I show that to other people as well. But thank you, bro. And you're not a man of a lot of words, bro. I'm not saying all this stuff for you to say something. Receive it, bro. Just receive it and live with it. And let's keep talking about the charts.
Appreciate you, bro.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I showed on me. I'll be having to ask Lauren and my mom how to. I be like, hey, how do I respond to this? I be like, bro, I don't know what to say. But no, I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, you did text me at like 8:50, and I was in the bed, and he was like, hey, you want to live trade? I'm like, but thanks, bro. Yeah, that's all I
Thank you.
can say without
Uh,
crying.
You don't got to tell me thank you, bro. You gave me the opportunity, bro. You know what I'm saying? Even though I didn't want to be a moderator, you pushed me to the forefront. So you don't ever have to say thank you to Moody. It's thank you to you. It's your energy. I have my own energy. I'm going to do what I do and I'm going to be my own man. But you ain't create me or anything. I created myself. God created me, right? But at the end of the day, you have to understand that how many people are still on here? 68 people. There was over 100 people at one time. Y'all wouldn't know Moody if it wasn't for Jordan. Y'all would not know Ava if it wasn't for Jordan. Y'all wouldn't know Pastor Prince if it wasn't for Jordan. Y'all wouldn't know Zay if it wasn't for Jordan. Y'all wouldn't know no one, Avery, if it wasn't for Jordan. So it's just like, shouts out to you, bro. Because even though we all work collectively as a group and together, regardless of the fact you're the glue, you're the backbone. You know what I'm saying? You're the one keeping us motivated. Even though we all motivate each other, you created this, bro. And I know people know that, but you also gotta receive that, bro. Like, I understand because I'm a boss in my life. How many people, when you're a boss and you're the person that everybody goes to, how many people congratulate you? How many people come and say, hey, Jordan, are you okay? So, bro, receive that. You know what I'm saying? It's not for you to send the thanks, bro. I know you're thankful, bro. I know you're grateful. You show it to me countless every single day. But you need to be able to receive that. I know you're receiving it, but you got to receive that energy and allow people to also see that, bro. Because look at the movement you're starting. All I see is like, wow, we're gonna meet Earn Your Leisure one day. We're gonna do an interview one day with them. You know what I'm saying? Because that's where you're pushing. So appreciate you, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Pull up the charts, bro. Pull up the charts, bro.
I'm on the charts, man. Dang, bro. Yeah, bro. We holding the spy swing. We ain't doing that. We ain't finna drop it. Somebody has the spy gonna close the gap. I don't know. I just told Spy to go ahead and give me some money today to make up for those L's on Tuesday. As to what Spy wants to do tomorrow, I'll talk to her later. See what she got on her mind. Talk to Spy later. Let's see what's So Spy, is Spy still red? Spy is now red for the day. What's up and in green? What's a lot of green? So Nordstrom. Disney is green, but Disney's been dropping all day. I'm not trading it though. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, no.
But nah, yeah, I wouldn't, know what I'm saying? I wouldn't try to get into nothing extra. Like we went crazy today. What's that? 5 for 5, 6 for 6, actually.
Six for
Six.
six.
And then on top of that, another swing. And then all the swings were successful. Come on now, bro. Stop thinking about Tuesday. Stop
Dang, Tim.
thinking about Tuesday, bro. Chill out, man. Quinn ain't mad at you. Britt ain't mad at you.
Hey, bro. I was like, I wasn't like sad, but I'm like, dang, bro, come on, Spy. Not when I'm sitting here with Quinn and Britt, we drinking coffee and stuff, and I said, bro, all right. Tim, hit me up, bro. That comment you put is interesting. Hit me up on that. Hit my DM on Discord, please. Appreciate you. Shade up, see you. Moody, I'm not going. If you start your class at 5:30, I gotta be somewhere at 5:30 with my folks.
You good. Come on now, bro. You know I'm gonna hold it down.
Yeah.
Take bro, because I know I'm gonna take me a break tomorrow. My sister just hit me up. I got a whole bunch of stuff I got to do over there, but you know I'm gonna still be here, be on the Discord. And even if I'm not trading or if I'm not doing something, y'all know y'all could just tag me. Most people just be in my DMs since they know I don't put out trades like an analyst anymore. So they just be in my DMs and I just tell you the truth. And they'll just be like, hey, Moody, what you think about this? Yo, give me an entry, chart this up for me. And I just send it out to them. Why not? But nah, yeah. Let me see. I got 2 hours before the class. Yeah, I'll be straight. For me, it's like second nature because this class is going to be just a video breakdown and a Q&A. So I know a lot of people still like, not still, they want to continue to learn about the strat. But when I do the class, I'm going to ask somebody if they have a specific video they'd like me to break down. And hopefully it's not like a super long video so we can get through it. But I'm going to just pull up like one of Sarah Sniper's videos so they can start understanding. Because I know a lot of people go to her videos to try to learn the strat as they learn it from me as well. So just breaking it down because her videos are much more shorter than mine. So just breaking them down for them to be able to understand and see what she's seeing and then show them that what she sees, you can also see this with the same setups on a smaller time frame. But yeah, things of that nature. And I know a lot of people have been asking me in my DMs and just on the classes if I could do some more video breakdowns. Yeah, that's one thing I am thinking about, like eating me a bowl of cereal or something, or ordering me some food and just taking like a 30-minute nap, get some energy, get a little quick power nap, and go crazy.
Yeah, boy, I want to go to sleep, but I feel like I'm not gonna get back up.
You ain't going to sleep, bro. You got so much stuff to do. You're in Orlando, bro.
I gotta take like 20. I gotta take 20, bro. So yeah, dog, I'm done for the day, for real. I ain't calling nothing else up. Yeah.
All
So
right, man.
if anybody else got any, questions or whatever, we could hit that. But me, I'm good.
Man, Jordan, go take your break, bro. They're going to ask all the questions they want to ask in the class, even if it doesn't have to do with the class. They know I'm going to answer those questions. But yeah, if anything, because I know I'm not going to call anything out no more. I'm going to just hold your spot puts. I only got out of 25% of the position. I'm going to hold 75 and swing it. Take the bag tomorrow. And yeah, bro, we'll see everybody in class, bro. Go ahead and get you some rest, bro.
Not yet, bro. Raheem said he said it's too many green market catalysts for tomorrow, so I want to know what you're talking about
Wait, what?
in the chat. I wanna know.
Oh, I'm in here now.
Yeah, I'm just curious. Really scary what he's talking about. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm.
It felt this inverted head and shoulders. Yeah, I'm holding this.
Yeah, Raheem, if you could elaborate. Oh, dang, I ain't think he on the Zoom no more. Yeah, he hopped off. Oh, all right then.
All right, Jordan. Well, I'm gonna hop off so I can get me a little break. It's 3:33 right now.
All right, bro.
All right, peace out, bro. Everybody, peace out. May the Lord continue to bless everybody from the crown of their heads to the sole of their feet. Remember to be kind and genuine to others. And yeah, peace out.
Moody know I'm not getting off. He know I'm not getting off. He know I can't get off till the market close.
I know you're not. I know you're not. That's why I'm trying to get off to see if you would get off. I even turned the camera off.
Can't
Now
do
I'm
it.
praying for the folks and for us.
I
You know what I'm
can't do
saying?
I can't do it, bro. I'll stop the recording, but I can't do it.
Record it, but I can't do it.